Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Oh, go on, peeps. Hold on, let me see if I can see this thing in there. I suppose I can't see it. Wagwan, do not hear me? Do not hear me? Do not hear me? Okay, alright. Now what I look who walk, you know. So who want walk with me, you see me? Seriously? I can't see this thing up on my phone over here. So. What's up? Wagwan peeps. CBS. What's up? Oh, this thing I can't switch. Yo, this thing I'm not supposed to hear, bro. People, I'm not supposed to hear if I switch this round. Feel like look the other way, don't on the phone, don't. You can't do that in a TikTok. Yeah, but I can't do it on my phone, but I say I never have to do it in a TikTok yet. I can't do it in a TikTok. Nikki said, yes, you can, so. Now, I see people do it all the while, so me not see it in my mind. I won't name they can't do it, you know, but it can't. Hold on, let me see something.
What up, nigga?
Yeah, yo, I can't switch this
What
thing
you
around
doing?
in a TikTok. Huh?
Yeah, what's up?
Yo, that was some random person coming, but what up, nigga? Terry Strawberry, wagwan. Man, what I look walk, you know. People. Nah, man, a joke thing this. People, if me want to turn this thing round in a TikTok, man, for make una say. We're not supposed to be able to do that, man. Sonia, go, man. This is a Galaxy Ultra 25. You're bright. You're bright. Nah, man. No, I've just never done it in TikTok because I always do my show this way, you know. But through me I walk now. I want to switch it for to see the other side, but you know, usually have this thing up on the screen. Jamaicans, them not miss word. Once a ragga, you're nice, bad. Sure, so your age are sure you so. Yeah, ragga is a 50-enough-year-old man, okay? All right. Hold on, don't. You see what I do? I don't want the phone go drop in the water there, you know. No, big and serious. If you're in a TikTok and you want to switch it, phone I see over this. So like, who use TikTok and do that? Because I don't see it. When I join as a guest, I can flip the camera. Yeah, I want to turn the camera. But you know, you have the obvious like icon where you see and you can't do it by your phone. I'm not seeing it in TikTok. I don't know, some random person, this woman I know again.
Yeah,
Hello.
so there's a good day. So there's supposed to be
Greeting.
three dots in the there's supposed to be three dots in the bottom right corner, I believe, or the bottom left.
Right.
When they click
Yeah.
it you see it says flip camera on the list when it come up.
Right. Big up yourself, you know, my boss.
Yeah, man.
All
You know,
right,
say
see to
them always
Eh?
them always send me it. So, but just going with the message of them always send me. So, and just go up on live and just try it and then see it. I'm sorry when I come back, come tell you. So, we just do everything.
Hold on.
You see it, man. They flip the camera.
Oh, Cheetah, it flipped it a while ago. Hey, listen to me now, man. You just see every day, you know, so big up yourself, you know.
Blessings,
All
man.
right.
Blessings.
Manners and blessings, man. Thanks. What do I name?
Dylan,
Eh?
about Impact Dan. Impact Dan, I'm a Instagram name, but you know. Dylan, the I name still there, you
Impact
know?
Dan. All right, Dylan. Big up yourself, you know. You make me know what I go on. You see?
Blessings.
Respect here, sir. All right, cool.
Alright.
My respect, sir.
Cool.
Where you know who? What you say? What do I name?
Raga.
What you name?
Says one.
Says. Says, you know, I have some turtle down here, so. Anytime I walk, see one day, you see him? A crazy turtle down there, you know.
Some big one down there.
Hold on there, you know what I say? I show you how my thing set, you know. Now look at something for them, you know. You see me? All right, see what I go on, you know. Yeah, the world is different. Paper, you see some Mr. Boy, a good boy, see it there? Turkey feeding and all these things. Turkey, turtle. World is different, the papa. Let me see if them. I don't want the phone to drop in the water here. All right, so now. Let me see if them come. The fish them rush it, yo. Fish them. The fish them are dealing with it, billions. Watch them all jump up. I'm going to throw it over Turkey. Come, Turkey, get busy. Don't make you fish them down here. Move in, Turkey. See them forward here now. The people them can say, yeah. Yes, Turkey, go on in and don't make you fish them eat half a thing. Come in. All right. You saw the place get festive, you know. A big dance, you know. A big dance, man. See a turkey down here, sir. A big dance. Come lively up on yourself, get busy. Watch out. See them call her one here, say, yo, Junior over here, so there, you know. See Junior come in. Yeah?
Oh, one on the stone over there.
Yes, y'all a boss over there, so. Come, Junior, come get some of my food. See it there. Come man, we get busy. Nice. Yeah, I'm not gonna do life feed me. So that bag is second. Put nice side eye back there.
I think that is smallest one is never seen.
Eh. When I miss the boat, you know, watch out. See how light it just around
But if
come
you should
in.
jump with it, what you
Yeah?
if you should go with it.
See, I'm just a coming. Hey, big up on yourself, you know. Here,
man.
manners, here, blessings, here, my respects, cool. Alright. Here, come here, all a look walk, you see me? That's all. A random gentleman taking a walk, you know? A random gentleman taking a walk. That's all it is. Walk going. Sonia said, Ragabash in the water. Ragabash in the water. My respect, sir. Manners and blessing. Cool, man. Help people. Why them never make this thing? Okay, Sure. Sure, so me age are sure. That's why you have to give me respect. Me a big man for you. Right? Me a big 50-odd-year-old man for you. Here, sure. Understand. What I go at TamFam. Ain't back down, big up yourself, you know. You make me know what I go on. Ain't no good people. Wait till that thing in turn. So come, hear this, come. Alright. That's all. When I take a walk with me, that's all. You're taking a walk with me. Good afternoon, darling. Good afternoon. Yeah, then I know chattings. And now I get no old. You know, you hear some old, you know, you hear people say I'm old. I'm an old man. Raga old man, raga old man. Right? Raga old man, seeing levels. And people don't know what's going on. Boy, I just take a look a small walk through the place. You see what I say? Seeing? I'm sure no one go on. So what go on differently? Sonia, you alright? Where's the Terry if no beet juice today? Yeah man, that's a later man. I just take a look at what now man. See? I don't know. I'm just a walk with no general, with no boy. You see it? Raga, me say, let me see how your thing set. Now, which thing? What you want to see? Eh? What you want to see? I don't know. What you want to see? With your old child, I said. What you want to see? What you want to see? Eh? What you want to see? Tell me what you want to see. Hi, baby girl. Little girl there, look out, you know. Alright, I switch it, but I can't believe I can't switch it. Going on TikTok to do it, you know. Want to see what I go on. Alright. Place there. Youth and youth. Little high school kids, they do them thing. Huh? No, nobody no need for know no location. I want to tell you, doctor, man. Sit down where you're there, man, and turn to it. What kind of location you want? Eh? You don't need no location. Turn where you're there. Hold on, I make a flip back or something. Eh? What kind of location you want? Turn where you're there, man. See? One day I can't read or something I go there. Yo, all who there, if you not follow Ragashanti yet, follow me. Over here so festive, a Raga Ph.D festive on TikTok. You never hear, you never get the memo. Hush! Hush! All who never get the memo, hush! Yo! All of my TamFamers them will listen to Ragashanti live on TikTok. Tell the new people them how over here festive. Make them know how over here festive. Follow me right now. Wanna follow me right now. Okay? I want to say big up the SDC, big up the ANC, big up all who fi big up on Ray. Don't know the levels though. A Discovery Channel and National Jah know. I would have Jimmy Q, traitor. Jimmy Q, traitor. And you know, say you sell out for the ANC. Lose half for you in a Jimmy. And now we lose half for you in a Jimmy. Know that here. Crash, I would have come. Come, big up yourself, you know. Jamie about propaganda machine. Jimmy, you sell out the thing in a youth. Lose half for you, Jimmy. That me I tell you, yeah. You think you are the soldier. You understand? You never understand the mission, my youth. Right? You make the enemy compromise you. You see? Eh? How you have do that? In youth? I think you can't be steady that's sitting there. Walk, me I walk, you know. I want to walk with me, don't. Alright, me see what I go on. But Lord Jimmy Q Raga, I want to you, Christina. You don't understand. I'm going to get court martial. I'm going to get. Oh, you want to tell us something, man? I'm going to get court martial. Yes, we're impact on the. Impact that Jimmy, you sell out like everything must go. A big seal. Jimmy, you sell out. Everything must go. John, no, yes, impact John. Be. How much? I don't know if I know over here, you know. So my favorite schoolboy with my backpack. Yeah, a 50-year-old schoolboy, you know. Yeah, we child relative doing people. Remember, you know, it's what you want and you set your mind to, you know. Remember, so when we go law school, me in my 50s, you know. Yeah. I'm saying I go back to school, go get a degree. In my 50s. I mean, in my 50s, and 23 and 24-year-old, but most of the students, them are 23, 24, 25, 26-year-old. And thing. And them want to hang out. I couldn't even hang out with them, because, you know, me certain look at things. You know, you reach certain stage in your life, you're not really pre-certain things. And when them pass them place with me, I have to make them know, so my girl, could be your grandfather. Yeah, you can't step to me them way, them, you come to me for advice. Right? You see what I say? I have to make them know. But big up my story genes, I never know my father, you know, so I don't know how I go on this. So. Big up Miss Cherry Jeans, cause Miss Cherry Jeans make boy can reach him 50s and yeah, look on the sun back at me. I go on with something there, so don't. Nice. Yeah. Now man, we still have the show later, you know. We still have the show later. Your boy just take a look at walk and me I work from morning and thing and yo, all who not follow me now. If you watch the show, you not follow me now. And alright, real quick, you know the drill. Foot back check. Everybody look on your foot back and tell the truth. If your foot back stay bad, say me shame. If your foot back stay good, you just say me good, post me good. Let me see what I go on. Everybody check on the foot back right now. Check on the foot back. If on the foot back stay, tell the truth, you know. If your foot back look nice and clean, post me good. Jad say me good. See there, cute puppy say she ma kill me. Didi good as I saw me rate to you know, no tell the truth. Karen Jackson says she good. Cheryl says she good. Right? Aquarius Queen something good. Yeah. Yeah, foot back Maxine. See, Maxine I tell the truth, me shape. Me not telling her lie. Me shape to right, I know my foot need a pedicure or one of them something, you know? My foot need a pedicure or one of them thing there. Right? Sandy, turkey good as. John, I'm dying for Japa Jamaica and come link on you know. Yes, man, I need for Japa Jamaica for 2 weeks and thing and just circle the places and make some stops and all these things, you see? Yeah. Alright, with the good trees, I'm good for pedicure over the weekend. Terry Strawberry said 1 month. When you say Terry, if I come to Jamaica, 1 month if I stay for down. I want to chase Sandy, I have to come check you, man. She rises strong, say, I am due for a petty. What that mean? Say me shame. If you write me good or me shame. Right? Is either me good or me shame. Luce! Wagwan! Remember, I said that place I pay. Watch it. Look how me I look. I have to kind of update to them. Even though I not too want to show on my spots, you know, I have people come in, come pressure the thing. See which part of there. Nice and peaceful. Is what I say? Yeah, man. So I look a birdie down there, say I look for me. So that birdie I pray me down. Don't worry yourself, man. We're good, man. I come down and come trouble in your space. You see it? Alright. People, I like them something, you know. Some type of thing, I mean this, you know. No crocodile no in there. I want me to do with no crosses, man. Not come bring down all kind of stress for me. Alright. See what I go on. Your turkey good as say if a Jamaica had a bird they would have get a big stone. Well, you know where we get this thing here from, man. Alright. Take a look for what. Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Wagwan.
I'm loving the scenery.
Oh, you? Oh, look at that scene.
I love it.
You know, I take these walks, you know. I look to walk them, and this is one of the places I love for walk, you know, and just clear my head. You understand?
Just
Yeah, balance out my thing and whatever. But are you hungry? You sound a little hungry. You hungry?
hungry. I am not. No.
But you sound hungry though.
Yes, and knowing you easily detect them things there
Hear ya.
because you always
Hear ya.
hungry.
Hear ya. No, no, no. Me's a humanitarian, you know, so you know, me have like hungry radar. So when people hungry and white squall a clot, them up me pick it up, you know. So I think so if you know you there, we can send you over a couple bulla and thing, you know, half a pear or something and thing, some crackers, some cheese tricks or something. I say the word because you know, so we look out for one another around here, okay?
No, I'm not hungry because you know what? Earlier today, I had like crushed green plantain, and I had like
Wow.
snapper left over, so I had crushed green plantain with snapper and pickles. So I'm not hungry.
When it's a crushed green plant, you mean like, como se dice, los españoles, tostones, right? That you thought, no?
Yeah,
Eh? Yeah. I love those with salt, even though you know, salt. I like
yeah,
them with
with
enough
some nice
salt.
salt. Yeah,
Yeah, man. What do you prefer? Which one you prefer? Crushed green plant or fried plant? Or fried ripe plant? Which one you prefer?
crushed green plantain.
The crushed green plant, yeah.
Yeah, especially
Yeah,
when
that
you
one
are
never
fried.
prefer.
Especially when you mash it and a fry it, you just put like
Yeah.
some little smashed garlic in it to fry it to so it have like a little hint of garlic
Oh,
flavor.
yes. Yes. It's so shocking to hear you give like these really cool cooking advice, given that you're
Oh
from
wow.
the ANC and all on the can cook.
Yeah.
Because that was
Yeah.
really, it was really a good. Wait, name. Hold on. How over here, sir? Wait there, hold on there. How over here, Santasha? Let me see what I go on. I'm fast because I just bush.
Over there look like your living room.
Oh! Yes, it's all right.
Seeing that you always a beat we. See that you hi sisters. You always a beat we. But no one then me just give you an uppercut.
Oh, God. I mean, you're implying that means I look a jungle boy. My girl say I'm a living room. When you see all this over there, so you know you have the park over here and thing, right? And
Yeah.
you just have all these little bush, but you can't go in there. You understand? You can't go over there.
That's
Yes,
nice.
you know, Natasha, me there I take a look walk, you know.
Yeah. I'm gonna, get off now. But I just want to say, oh my God, it's next week, guys. For anyone that's new and has not experienced a Ragabash, I sincerely hope that you come out and experience it. Obviously we banter with one another part here, but once we're in like a settings where everyone gets together,
Family.
it's all love. It's just like a big family reunion, and I'm looking forward
That's
to
right.
it. Papa Hans, him shoes come today. And yes, I'm happy.
Big up the boss, big up the boss.
Him say expensive shoes in a man.
Sure. I mean,
Obviously
quality,
naturally
you
because
see?
him stand up on him foot so long.
Yeah.
So him shoes
Yeah.
come to them happy.
Trust me with me, man. I understand that because I'm flat-footed, you know. I'm flat-footed. When I was in Jamaica and I wanted to join the Jamaican military, them do something for my foot and them say, no, you're flat-foot, you can't join. I'm like, what that mean? Them say, you don't need to know, you can't join, go. But I can't stop, I can't walk long, but just can't stand up long. Foot kill me, so I know that's something there, you know. But to hear what she said, people, Ragabash, you know. Wait, Antasha, you did it? Oh, she got muted. So she not used to modern phones, you know. Yeah, she
Lies.
muted herself a while ago. She not used to modern phone.
lies is a call me I get you out of order, but definitely. So, you know, guys, again, looking forward to seeing everyone, but especially my NC sisters. Yes.
I tell you, man. Next week, Saturday, people, you hear the lady just remind you, it's all about Ragabash, see it? Next week,
Don't miss
Saturday,
it.
my birthday party, Amazura in Queens, all right? This are the thing
It's
they
gonna
see
be epic.
forward. It
All right,
will
take
be.
care. Yes.
Blessings. Thanks for stopping
All
by
right.
my walk. All right.
For sure.
Okay, blessings.
Enjoy.
Yeah, man. Cool.
All right. Blessings to everyone.
All right, cool. All right. Christina Brown Sugar. One big up all like Florida people, you know. There's 2 states I live the longest, New York and Florida, so you don't know, say, you know, connections there with both of them. You see what I say? All right. Terry Strawberry, they say I run through. All right. God favor Charles Judith Green. Just follow. Big up yourself, you know. Tiffany Goodaz. Tiffany, me notice her from what day? From what day, yeah. Rio, big up yourself, you know. Tiffany, from what day, yeah, scarce up your thing, you know, Tiffany. I want to go and you get somebody. Yeah? You get somebody, Tiffany, down. And what day, yeah, scarce up your thing, you know. Angela Benjamin, Mooney. Big up yourself, you know. Oh, that. Sham Sham. Big up yourself, Rio Faith. Natalie. Some man look clean and nice. Boss baby Kenisha. Tell them Terry Strawberry, Ragabash. Next week, Saturday, Amazura Queens, my birthday party. And get there. Get there. Get there. You see what I say? Yo, so I need an either way place. I'm never sure what this look like. Hold on, I'm turn this. Oh, why else look like? I look at either way to it. You know, I do some bushy party in the park. You understand? But me could go look in there. Come. When I juggle with me, come. Me could go look in there. Alright, me could go look in. Could go look in. Blood clot people in here. Ross. Yo. Sorry, people in there. People in there look like them. No, I'm not gonna mash up them thing. Yo, this your Raga get himself in a trouble though. This your man get himself in a trouble though. John, no. Hold on, you see the people them? You see people them? You see people them? You did see them? Baby lips said no. You never see them? Yeah, man. Them did in there, man. Couple and thing, you know? Seeing?
Yes.
Them did in there, man. Now you know, I don't want to mash up people. Like up at Wolf Garden. Alright, I could check back on my turtle them, you know. I could see. Who see the turtle them? I can't even zoom on this, you know. I need to learn I mean, I can operate my phone by itself, zoom and all them something there, but I can't do it, I don't know if I do it in a TikTok. Alright, so when I turtle them, I come, you see him I come? Yo, Junior, what happened? Alright, hold on, Junior, let me see if I can find something phone because you don't know. You know, everybody have to eat, though. People, when you see them over there, so I don't know if you can see me. Say 1, 2, 3, 4 turtle over there. So you see them? Alright, so I'm carry for them, yeah. Reptomin floating food stick. Alright. Alright, let's see. Alright, people, man. I see me can't get them for come down here. So wait there. Yo, Junior Chopper. What you say? Alright, it's up, me. Boss yourself. Come over here, sir, man. Come over here, sir, before the fish them eat up the something you eat that. Come over here, sir, yeah. All our food. Call your brethren them. I will see them a come. Watch out, you see the fish them a jump up. And them a eat off the food, you know. Alright, yes, you two of your brethren them a come in. Only see two more turkey come in over here, sir. Don't. Come over there, sir. See it there now. Food a run. Food a run. Watch you know. When I eat that, I want to turkey them. When I eat the food, when I make a fish, I eat off the food. Oh, bigger. Bigger. See something there for you. You know what, so when I go low, all turkey, when I go low, you know. Man, I go on the food down and make the fish them and get busy around, you know. Come, man, some more, you know. Come. Yes, I. See, that everybody feel live. When I dance. Nice. Sound for the man. Okay. Hold on, we cover it. Wanna see them? That's why we are telling us we live good, you know. Because all of them animals that we see, I said the whole of them in the ANC. And we not fight against them. See it there? A SDC make ANC eat food. See it there? And we are feed the ANC. I will cover it. Oh, see, cover it. That's what I tell her. SDC make the ANC eat food. We not fight nobody around here. One on them make me and I don't think this is a good idea. Need to cook back this thing here. But careful, you know, I want my phone go drop in a one time. People, you see how life funny. That's why you can't prosper. Sometimes you can't prosper, you know. My bumble clot, I want pig that I want dog. Oh, it's a dog. People. So life funny, you saw this a pusher decide to come sit down. Yeah? That's why you see people sometimes when you step up in a life, you know. You always have somebody out there trying to name your food, you know. For their own interest. You see what I say? You see what this a push a left from wish where even him live right as and come all the way down at the pond down here, so. Come sit down. Right? I want to name my fish them or even name my turtle to me not put it past him. I not put it past him. Yo, my boss, what kind of dog that?
French Poodle.
French Poodle?
French Bulldog.
A French Bulldog. Come here, say him not look like Poodle. What's up, big guy? Bossy. Bossy, what? What's his name?
It's a girl.
It's a girl?
Bella.
What's she? Bella?
Yeah.
Yo, Bella.
Bella.
La Bellissima. Bella, what's up, girl? Look at you. All right, see that? Bella, give me a heel. All right. Big up yourself here. Respect. Bella, give me a heel. All right, people, me I go for my second circle, you know, and then go back and do some work before me do the show. So me I say, just a walk. That's all it is. And I take a walk with Rags. get some circulation in my bones and so now I say, you see how that place are pretty though. Look from this when winter come, the whole of this dry up. Hello, what type of dog is that, please?
That's a mutt.
Oh, it's just a mutt?
Yeah, because she's mixed.
Oh, she's mixed, but
Yeah.
like you don't know what she's mixed with?
No.
No?
No idea at all.
Okay, what's her name?
Whiskey.
Whiskey.
Yeah.
She's a she, and her name is Whiskey. All right. Oh, she heard her name. All right, take care.
All right, now take care.
Okay, all right. Lady there with the baby. Charlene with her face, cause she don't want me. She don't want me to go say nothing, you know. I'm not business, man. Hi. Are they behaving?
Oh my God! Oh, they're so good.
They're so good.
Even though my bag is kind of on Dookie.
What's this one's name?
This is Dookie. He has the most spirit.
Dookie, what's up?
He's got the most. He's a sweet little boy.
Yeah, I see you all the time with them.
I know I'm out there all the time. And then this is Snowy.
This one is
This
what?
right here. This one's Snowy.
Snowy.
Snowy is mid age, and this is Mr. Mr. is old age.
What's the one?
Mr.
Mister.
Mr. Yeah.
So it's Snowy, Mister, and
Mr.
Dookie.
and Dookie.
Oh, okay.
The three together.
Yeah.
They're my family. I love them very much.
Oh, I know. I see you with them all the
I
time.
know,
You
I
take
know,
so
I
good.
know,
You
I
take
know,
care,
I
all
know.
right?
Okay.
Blessing. People, you know, say them dog, they fear life, you know. You know, I feel she's always here, you know. And this is when I play, so I take my local walks, you know. That's one thing I have to say about New York City, like, it's a concrete jungle, but New York City is a concrete jungle, particularly Manhattan. But even in Manhattan, there are all these just lots of parks and places that, by statute, law, mandate a certain amount of recreational area is supposed to remain untouched. Of course, most famous of these is Central Park, right? And back in 18 so some planners had the foresight to say that, you know, New York was shaping up to be like quite the city of cities, you know, particularly the Manhattan area. And they mandated that, you know, Central Park should remain untouched in terms of the green with the trees and all that stuff and whatever. And for them to have foreseen that for more than 100 and something years before, probably more, that's pretty good. That being said, though, I want to remind you that a big part of Central Park, or what is known as Central Park, was actually a black community. For those of you who don't know, a big part of Central Park was a black community for free, for free blacks, you know, some of them who run from slavery in the South and whatever, they lived there. And do you know that when they wanted to, as usual, particularly back in the day, when they wanted the space for their recreation and so forth, them run out to black people, them and thing, and basically flatten the city, you know? And then what made it even more, problematic was that it was a successful black community. So for those of you who know about Tulsa, Black Wall Street and all these other places where, black people are doing well and them take it over. Even some towns in the South, in Georgia, You have all over years in the United States, you have all these black communities where, you know, them say we lazy and we want handouts and we this and that. You know, sensible people, we know that's not true. Not only is it not true, but on multiple instances, multiple occasions, black people came together, built communities, filled with professionals, hardworking people, accomplish a lot and so forth. And every time black people do well in this country, every time black people do well in this country, certain people have a problem with it. Because, you know, them love to say we are preach victim. Them love to say we, you know, we live, you know, we always are preach victimhood and things like that, and we need to be come out of victimhood and achieve. That is bullshit. Black people do that all the time. Black people come together, build community, work hard, build, you know, have successful careers, lawyer, doctor, engineer. And every time black people do that, them always come up with something to say, where them have something bad over this and we need for burn it down. They've always done that. And then when we talk about it now, them say, oh, that's victimhood. But you have these people out there, their understanding of reality, it can never be the case that any group of people is ahead of them. To them, it's an unnatural order if another group of people outside of them is doing well, particularly if they're doing well in this land. Them just think that something is inherently wrong with that needs to be corrected. And of course, it's usually corrected with violence. The same people that say we violent, you know. There's nobody in our modern history more violent than them, you know. And it's all of the accomplishment where them love praise themselves about what them do across the world and how them bring civilization morass. Everything when them call civilization was achieved through violence. And every time them see other people do well, to them there is something wrong about that. And them always feel them have to reclaim. Them have to reclaim, take back what them people have, what them not supposed to have. Them even go as far as say God ordained them to have what black people and other groups have. I have all these other minorities now who love to identify with them. One by one, them I get knocked. Latinos swear say them white and this and that. See them I get whop up now. I'm bright enough come and talk about how we not support them. When them did support we in a George Floyd demonstration, as if everything that was achieved in George Floyd, in the George Floyd demonstration, if them necessarily the people them take back everything and they've never said nothing about it, but the only time they might come say something about it now and I talk about we jump up beside them now is when the people them move to them. Right? 64% of the South Korean vote in Georgia went to MAGA. 64% of the South Korean vote in Georgia went to MAGA. Now that them get knocked with the Hyundai factory and this and thing, them a ball no. What that you do to we? Wickedness and this and that and ray. And they don't understand. These people who attack we anytime we are the good, they will attack anybody who not look like them who are the good. Right? Because for them thing is them must always dip on top. And that's how them there. They must always dip on top. And if them not dip on top, even if people work hard to succeed and get what them get, for them thing is no, you must cheat. You must get handout and thing like that. Me I laugh right now. Look on all of them farmers they know. Them come up and them talk about Reggae dead. We need government support. We need the government to give us money and help we. Because we farm them a collapse. How much people and this and that. One man come out and say five people from farm community commit suicide recently, and it's really terrible, and we ask the government for help. These are the people, let me know, who jump on and tell us that black people love handouts. These are the same people who say, oh, if you love handouts, you're socialist, and burn out socialism. You understand what I'm saying? Aye, boy, so a long time it a go on, and Central Park a testament to part of that, you know, unfortunately, you know. So a part that they're pretty and thing and whatever, but enough people them beat and run out of that. They set up a park and make it the way they right now, to the point now where up there have the highest real estate value in New York City, right? When I was graduating from my undergrad, some friends of mine got apartments in New York City. And it's a long time, 90s. And two set of them got the same apartment with the same square footage in the same building, I remember. Same size apartment, same square footage in the same building. And this is in the 90s, you know. But one of the apartments had a view of Central Park, and the other one had a view of the street. Same apartment, same size, same building, same square footage. Only difference, one had a view of Central Park, and the other one didn't. And it was $22,000 more. Them are rich people, them, you know, them have them money, but it was $22,000 more for the view of Central Park. Yeah, views of value in real estate. Central Park has value. And the south side of Central Park is an area referred to as what? Billionaires Row. And it's literally that. Pretty much all the people who live down there, they are billionaires, right? And, you know, their buildings, their penthouses and so forth, the value that their penthouses have and whatever and thing like that, the incredible value and thing is based on their proximity to Central Park and to Midtown below them, you know, which is high real estate value too. But with Central Park, they are at the southern tip of Central Park. So I'm just saying that this area, when they run out black people and take over and decide to them have a maintain it for themselves. Say, oh, our friend here come again, you know, she think she got, you know, pressure. I think she got turned. I mean, when she thinks so, I watch her right. I think see. Yeah, so the CM Central Park now where them where it's so valuable now when they run up black people and thing and whatever. See it now. It is instrumental in costings, real estate costings that reach billions of dollars and things. See? Black people have value, have had value a long time and thing. You see it? Fight them, I fight the thing. And we want to say big respect to the eye of them for do the look walk with me, you know. Watch it. Duck, wagwan. Duck, wagwan. Wagwan. The whole out in the ANC to do. Eh? The whole out in the ANC too. No man, I do nothing, man. No worry yourself, man. I we feed ANC here. Big up on yourself, you know. Alright? Blessings, man. When I come Ragabash next week Saturday. When I come Ragabash next week Saturday. Eh? When I come my birthday next week Saturday, my birthday party next week Saturday, I can't forward here. And me say, I have to put on look clothes when I can't come in the naked, so I know them something that wiggle up on the dog cell. And all them something that you over here so I do, yeah. We have to find some dog clothes to put on and thing and whatever, right? So I don't know which part the name brand store there for duck and thing, but find some clothes and I can't come and expose on a wet self so like that or whatever. It's not that type of a party, thank you. Okay. It's not that type of a party, so that nakedness you want to dip on out there and water, it not gonna work. Put on some clothes, it's not a bugo yaga affair, okay? Right? But big up on yourself still here. Movements. And juggle. Alright. Well, at least I tell them what is what, so we don't want a misunderstanding when they come in a party, alright? Don't want them coming in a party and they might expose them dog self and all these things and whatever. We can't have that. We can't have that at all. Yes, I'm going to walk and come to an end here. I just want to come for juggle. You know it, but everything is everything. A rock master said, I'm about a feather jacket. Quiet Storm said, where is the party? Amazura Queens. Amazura Queens. Next week, Saturday, Ragabash. It's a grown and sexy affair. I'm going to post it up there in the chat for you to make you see it, yeah? Cheryl Bless, big up yourself. Post it up in the chat there for you. See it there? See it there? Amazura Queens. Ragabash. A grown and sexy affair. DJ Roy. Glamour Wayne. Ragashanti. Echo Vibe Sound, Brown Bass, Jimmy Q, DJ Chris Cross, good music and beer, something and beer sitting down. Yeah? Proper. Oh, this was a nice little walk and thing. Are you tired? Because you've been a walk with me, you know, so are you tired? Eh? Hold on, I say, our friend. Still there, you know. Look like I look a bit cool too and all these things. You good? You good? Birdie. You good? Oh God, it look like somebody left you down. Your woman left you down. Eh? Your woman left you down. And have you sit down and branch over water and thing. Boss, your woman left you down. You mean I hope you not think. No. I hope you not think if you go do nothing to yourself, you know. Listen. Listen. It's not over. It's not over. Right? I know you're at rock bottom right now. Well, water bottom. No, well, I should not tell you that because I don't want to go at bottom my water. But I know you not feel well right now. You're a birdie. But don't do it. I don't want you to jump off into the water and all them something they're saying. Right? And just listen Ragashanti, because if you don't listen Ragashanti, you don't know how not to get burned. And you see it there? You see how much time pass here and you're over your depression and kill you, you would even eat something. Right? Because Miss Lady, they broke your foot. Right? Miss Lady broke your foot and just go on with a no species burning. Imagine what kind of species bird you is. Yeah. And she got dash out to a jankro. And you're not a jankro. You know so that make you feel away. So not even the bun at who she gonna burn you with. She don't even do an in-species bun, she do an out-species bun. That's like You know what say, and I mean happen to her, I feel it, because that is like if a woman had born me and go dash out, it's squeaky. You know squeaky? Well, you don't know, it's a human thing. But when I say, boy name squeaky, it's like if a woman born you and, you know, it's like if chumpy woman born him with squeaky. If chumpy woman born him with squeaky, I know the born would have beat him, you know, and who she born him with, you see it? So, I know how you feel, you know. Even though you look jankerish, you're not a janker, so she shouldn't have gone there because you kind of have the black and them something there, whatever. And really, but don't do it here. Don't go jump in the water or anything, all right? Yo, what me I say? Power to the people. No, wait. Power to the birds. Power to the birds, my dog. Big up yourself. Bird power. Bird power. Word, bird. Okay, all right. I'm just do my good deed for the day, you know. You look out for somebody in need. I saw it go, you know. Right? And everybody have to look out for everybody. Well, every species you have to look out for every species. There's got to be an easier way to flip your screen in TikTok, man, than to have to go down this. I'm going to figure out something, you know. Maroon, big up yourself, you know. I ain't falling for shit. Yo, all of the women them who have them situation, who have somebody to eat your situation and things, say, that's me. All of the women who have somebody to eat your situation say, that's me. Let me see. Why it's sticky pan someone. Why cookie man stress make them know, yes. Yo. Maroon about to talk them, you know. Yeah. Maroon about to sample talk them. You see. All right. Yo, more of this I go do here. Raga walks. Yeah. Raga walks. And some of them I go do exclusively for subscribers. Alright? Some going to do for general like this and some going to do exclusively for subscribers. Raga walks. In, you know, some specific settings and thing, you know. Yeah. I just hear me just pop up and I say, Raga, where you there? I say, I can't tell you, you know, just watch. You see, you know, I'm looking style. Eh? Yeah. She rises strong. Yeah, she say, when you subscribe to the channel, Pretty Dreads, large up yourself here. She rises strong. All right. Well, again, I just want to thank you for walk with me and thing. Going back to my vehicle now. And I wonder if the people them still in the bush. When I go up there, because them could have do good. I mean, you know, I say, you know, want to flap nobody thing. And you can imagine some of you walking in the bush just when you're about to pop off and you have to stop. That must be frustrating, man. But people that Tambourine must have experience with this, you know, because up a Constitution Hill, where them come from, a beer bush up there, you know. And no found from country, and go through that something there. But now when I start out the bush, you know, I always deal like somebody have come out and have to stop. No found to go through them something that we know. No found to go through that. Tambourine, she come from a country place up in a St. Anthony Constitution. A beer bush dugu them go on with, so she must have experience with that. Worse, you know, say them did have the wild hog them up there. So when the wild hog them come, them don't know if a wild hog or somebody. All them here suku. And she have to jump off her strength. You see what I say? So no fun to have experience with them, something they don't. You know, but I do not, oh liar. Don't even have no shame. I tell lie on your own front. Disgusting. Damn. Anyway, big up on yourself, see? Ragabash. You been a Ragabash. Ragashanti live later on TikTok. You know how the strength go. I'm going back to my vehicle now. And then I'm going to do some work and all these things, alright? Love and blessings, man. Alright? Alright, sign out. Look more. If you're not buying a Ragabash ticket yet, buy them now. Get them now from a party. Next week, Saturday. Alright? And who not subscribe to my channel here, so subscribe now. Just click the star with the circle at the bottom and subscribe, alright? Alright, later, look more. Cool. Here we go. Come after something? Cheryl Bless, big up yourself.
Everybody make the tambourine and praise the Almighty Father. All God-fearing people, let's go.
Get right!
Yeah.
Mixup and Blenda, that's how.
Hey, yeah.
Love her, girl. One tree.
Up there.
One tree.
Up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the leaf of it and bad mind, you can't stop in a revival time.
Everybody shake the tambourine and praise the Lord.
Everybody!
A Mixup and Blenda time.
Yeah. Big up all who forget big up so wrong, so down, so over, so and all about large upon yourself, you know? Yeah. Love a girl that you need to buy a tambourine and thing, and perhaps you can line that up indeed. Big up on yourself, you know? Yeah, this? Somebody say, what Pisces King's a Raga favorite song from them time there. Oh, you mean? You don't know for a long time, though, that set and seal up and thing. Sonia in the building? I lie. Sonia, you there? Look like Sonia more than one account, you know. Sonia Nelson and then different thing, you know. Wagwan good people, big up on yourself and everything is everything. I is our day here and thing Bevy. Me see you Ruthie early today down. Large up yourself, man. And Blackie, and big up yourself. Share, large up. Yo, big up all who take a look walk with me today. The little Raga walk live. The little Raga walk live. Big up all who did the panel look walk with me today. All right, we should do more of those, don't it? Yeah. That was fun. Pisces Kingsley, Raga me at least your show from 2009. You see it, foundation, you know. From a long time, you know. People don't know, so we're up on a thing named Shock Mixup or any Mixup one have, right? Any Mixup one don't know about, you know, where you did in a shock, absolute, unadulterated shock. Reach, you know, some drama with some, yeah. All right, Juicy Girl, what a name. All right, big up yourself. Yeah, any Mixup where you know a serious shock reach you. Somebody who you know something happened to them with them they just in an absolute shock and surprise. Never expect a thing that's a thing that will happen. Right? Something happen where you never expect, you know. Somebody do all something where you never expect them to do, you know. All right, Bevy. Blessings, man. Big up yourself here. Right? Give it a mix up. There's something happen where you never, ever expect it to happen and things, see? And this is not really a mix-up, you know? This is not really a mix-up. But this couple I did this, see? And them there for a while. I don't know how long. Them did there for long. Again, it's not really a mix-up, but them did there for long. Wait. Resilient Lorraine, big up yourself, you know, all subscribers large up, all I'm a subscriber, then big up on yourself, see? Anyway, so them there for a while and whatever, and one time them a drive and them get in an accident. And when him get in the accident, the man, him foot did kind of get rocks up, you know? Foot did mash up away. And him couldn't drive. And it was a stick shift. Remember, you know, them there for a long time, you know. And when him couldn't drive and whatever, him woman, she just pull him over. She pull him over in the passenger seat and she no, not a Ghana shirt. And she pull him over in the passenger seat and thing, and him say, what you do? And she say, me go carry go hospital. And him say, yeah, but who I go drive? And she said, me I go drive. And he said, but you can't drive because it was a stick shift, you know? But she never drive the car before. Right? No, she never have a car. She never have a car. She did have a driver's license, but she never have a car. Right? Florida. But she never have a car. And it just never come up for she drive a car ever from them there. And it was a stick shift. But she have a driver's license. You know what if people have driver's license and I have car, right? And she said, go by in a seat, man, and she bring him up another seat and come out and thing and buckle him up and come run and pull. And him say when girl goes up, boom, and press gas and thing, when him see girl a change, you know, Jamaican style of driving, you know, Jamaican go, and him see girl a shift and whatever car, you know, she run, can go whatever. And police drive up on him and she say, accident, I can't go emergency room and whatever. And the police say, okay, all right, we will, carry on, thing like that. And I know, so when the police a guide, cause him foot in mash up with you. When the police a guide, it's like the police not keep up, you know. Me and some my girl go say, and I step up around the police. It's like the police have to say, what she did, man? So the police a shot and say, I'm here escort you. Like him a chat to the window. I'm here escort you. I say, but you need to go fast. I become a car, my man go hospital. And him say, all right. Me them say she deal with the car billions. And I stick, you know. So somebody, Jamaicans, who can appreciate this in a chumpy and MP. People, when we grow up at Jamaica, first of all, no automatic car did that. Well, you know, so me a old man, I'm going to be honest with you now. When me grew up, nobody never have car down there. Yeah, which part? Enough people in there, so. Enough. The car thing in Jamaica, you know, it was about, would I say probably about 30, 25 years ago or so. Sometime around there, so like this whole thing with Japanese car, you know, the second and nice new car them from Japanese, them just, there's this explosion of them in Jamaica where, like you go to Jamaica now, everybody have car. Well, most people have car, but when we grew up, no car never really did it. And when the few people who did have car, Morris Oxford, what? Cartina. Trumpy, I remember Cartina and them something that. The current robot who can tell you, when we grew up, people never have car. We take robot and we take bus and things. We never, you know, somebody has said ladder. Even ladder was after. Ladder was after me at the time when me attack, right? So even when somebody have car, or some old car. But here I know. You see, even the few car where they are ghetto, none of them was automatic. Make anybody tell you. No car was automatic. Back in them time that you drive an automatic car, it was seen like, wow. Are you from uptown? Yeah. You're rich? Yeah. Austin, Cambridge. Thank you, Monica. That me did I try remember. Austin, Cambridge. On the year when I just say a while ago. Back in them days there, even the people them who did have car a ghetto, none of the car them was automatic. And when we hear people who had automatic cars, They were uptown, wealthy, rich people. Ford Escort, Professor T. Thank you. That was another one. Ford Escort. Leyland truck. Yeah, that was a truck. Them. Morris Oxford. And Austin Cambridge. Them 3 car, them you know about. And one with the name Cartina. Right? Right? Karen said she left Jamaica in 1990 and they didn't have an automatic car. Yeah, the automatic car, them did that, but it was just rich people. The automatic car was like an uptown thing, you know? So it was standard. When you learn to drive, it was a ghetto. When people are branch out and thing, you learn to drive. Squeaky, Tata was after, man. But when you learn to drive a ghetto, but it was always standard, stick shift. Then no, when the Fiato, see Professor Tino Wagwa. Then no, when the driving thing start pick up now, and the automatic carry them there about, you know say. You know say, in a ghetto, if you the drive an automatic car, you not get no ratings. You never get no ratings as a driver. In a working class community, ghetto community at Jamaica and whatever, you a driver automatic car, you not get no ratings. Now, mine, you know, them time that we did in a ghetto, we didn't know about the rich people who race car. And they too was standard. Like we always hear about when we grew up, we always hear about Vernon Field. I won't know so I'm go there, you know. You just grew up and you always hear about Vernon Field. And you know, see the rich people them up there. And them do them racing up on one place named Vernon Field. We just know say Vernon Field. All right. But them used to race all about, you know, called Port Royal Road was a popular place for rich people and rich young people then go race them vehicle them and sitting there and whatever. But you never get ratings as a driver if you drive automatic. You have to drive standard. And when Jamaican man a drive standard, man, ordinary car, you know, when them a drive standard, it was an event, you know, man. And some man a drive standard, and there was this whole thing about drawdown and whatever, this and that. And the girls loved it. Now, me never have car or go. Me just know so the girls, them, they love it. So, there's this thing about and drawdown and swing and so it was a big deal. Right? It was a big deal. Right? You know, in terms of how you drive. And if you're a driver, and if you know for shift and draw down and you can this and that with the clutch and the gas and leg of the clutch and this and sink in the clutch and shift this and leg of that and thing and swing the car and yeah, you'd have to be like a standard driver, right? Forget them type of ratings there, you know? Yeah. So, a bridge in I talk about now, and I'm there with the woman for how long. She don't have a car, and them there, and from them there, is him always do the driving. It just never come up. No reason ever come up for she drive. And when he get in the accident and crash and mash up him foot and Goody just jump in at the seat and just take charge because she go wash and make sure she her man safe, you know, and she carry him go hospital. Hey man say Good just shift on it like a gangster. He must say Good driving up. Right? The way goods a drive and I go through the traffic and a shift and a whatever. And he must say, even when you can't drive, and she say, you never ask and thing. And him said, goods a drive and thing. And said, come back, man, you carry go hospital. And the police rolled up on her. And she tell him, say, him got in an accident, him injured, and him foot mashed up. I can't go to the emergency room. I say, emergency, him blood up, and thing. And the police say, okay, I'll escort you. So the police go so and swing him from, but it look like the police now go on with the driving, the way all goods want to go on, you know. And the man said, good just goes and shutting around the police. The police speed up. I said, what you doing? I said, I'm here escort you. I said, but you don't drive fast enough. And the police said, all right, come. Yeah. And them carry him go emergency room at the hospital and thing and whatever, and carry me in quick and whatever. And the man said, the police, I said, yo, I was his girlfriend, you know, him woman, you know. Him I said, your wife, you know, and him I said, no, it's my girlfriend. And I said, she can drive. Is she a race driver? Whatever. And him I said, listen, I didn't even know she can. Him I tell the police, listen, me never know she can drive. She never drive around me. And so the police, I said, what you mean you don't know if she can drive? He said, she just never drive yet. And I said, but oh, she never drive as license. I said, yes, she never drive as license. But me just, I said, from where I talk, there wasn't any reason for she drive when me just always drive. I think whatever. But so I don't know, mix up, but me just I say, you know, something like that, you know, she have that little skill there and whatever and thing. And I want to tell you, she wasn't suppressing her skill or talent. It just wasn't any reason for her to say anything. But when the time came for her to step up and thing and whatever, boom, she was there. And you have some woman stay so still, you know. And what's going on there? You have some woman, them leave them man for be a man. Ladies, you modern ladies, don't come for me now, right? I'm not saying she was suppressing whatever this and that. I wouldn't be surprised if she was a type of woman who, you know, me like when my man drive. Me like when him take charge of that. And there are other things where she take charge with as a woman, right? Right? So for relationship, for work, there have to be some sort of division of labor, right? And, you know, some of these things are gendered, right? There are things where man do and things where woman do. And if man do him for do, the woman them like that. And if the woman them do it, she for do, the man them like that. But in every relationship, the ones that work, there's some things the man take care of. And there's some things the woman take care of. And it's good when the woman can see the man just step up and take care of him for take care of without she have to ask. But there's some things she will ask to and he will say, no, me deal with that. And of course, there's some things the woman just step up and take care of some things without the man have to ask. But there may be something to where the man has to, babes, you can do so and so for me, and she deal with it. But every relationship have that something there, you know? And within that space, though, a man have to know when to love a woman to be a woman. In whatever thing will work for them. Sometimes these modern people in a modern society, them not understand. Right? You have woman who say, no, me want to wash my man underwear. You have some modern woman who say, then if you wash him underwear, him not supposed to wash your underwear too. And these women will say, no, but I don't want him washing my underwear. You know, and they kind of, you know, you have these women who kind of get feminism and whatever. But you have some women who say, I'll wash his underwear. I'll when skid marking at me wash him underwear. Because she want to wash him underwear. And she don't want him to wash her underwear. Now, where we come from, that's the order. Right? Remark it when at the same time there's some things that the man's supposed to do. Where we come from in terms of how a typical relationship may just be designed, you know, the man know say him for do certain things. And the woman will be like, no, me not do that. Him for go do that, right? You have some woman, them all a drive and them car stop and want, John, the car shut off, you know. Were you there? Oh, time is no. All right. And they just leave it right there. I'm telling him when there and give him the key, him go feed. And when the woman would tell you, me nah what me no car bonnet and looking up. What me know about them something there. Right? And I him know say him have to get up and go out there. Go deal with him for deal with. And so you find that depending on which culture you come from, I find that the relationship that my work is that a man know when to love a woman to be a woman. And in certain spaces him leave alone. And it don't mean say it's exclusive. There are times when he may jump in and take care of something in a fair space and thing, and she may appreciate that. By the same token, you understand? There's some things that a man them deal with. And a woman will love a man to be a man. Right? You see them woman the way if a man a put a part, so the man a nail up something. You see them woman that who smart enough to see him have difficulty and say, you want to try so and so? Or you want to try it on this and that? All right, put it on so and so. All right, leave it and then I can come back to it. It's all right, and thing. You see them woman there? Those are the smart ones. See, one them are like, but after you don't know what you do, give me it, man, make me do it, man, and whatever. You know. Yeah, be careful with them something there, you know? Yeah. In general, you see, if you're no value to the person who you're there with, after a while, you know, you're going to just let it go, you know, and be like, you know, I'm no value there, so okay, you know. And sometimes I'll get distracted too, you know, with somebody who see value in you, what the other person I see, you know. I don't know where it go. You know, man big and strong and run out in a gunshot and thing, but when it come to ego and thing, you know, most men, them, you know, fragile. They would never admit it, you know. But the woman, them who know how to make a man, them govern them thing and make him feel good like a man, you know, without either passively or indirectly emasculate him and thing. And then turn around and you know, and I blame the man and I realize that she a behave certain way where I make a man don't ever feel valued around her, you know? Right? So me I said this beer she a bad driver. Drive better than him too. But how she did a flow with him for all the time them day. She never flex out that for, you know, for go upstage him and make him look anyway. So all the time he might do this traditional thing where you're the man, you drive. And she probably like that too. And him probably like that too. Yeah, I mean, me old school, me like that, you know? You know, me a drive, yeah, me a the man, me in charge. Yeah, yeah, me a protector. But what time comes for you drive, you drive. You're not gung about it. But when time emergency come in, go to jump in though like a gangster and deal with it and thing and whatever. So as a man now, oh, you know, feel like all a woman like that. Right? Yeah, man, I found no focus on looks and sort out and this and that and whatever. As at stuff like them there, you know, build relationship, you know. Let me tell you about, you know. When all a man that can drop back and proud of him woman, oh, she a bad driver, that's all the police, them who trained for drive certain way. I say, yo, woman a bad driver, but at no point did he ever feel threatened like she try to flex on him certain way and whatever. Yeah? And it's not even like say, oh, she did want to flex on him and do it, but he must make sure stifle her talent. Indications are she didn't even want to do that because you know, for her, it was, yeah, my man, you drive, you know, you in the car. You know, if time come for me drive, me would drive, but yeah, you drive, you know. So I don't know, mix up, but you know, I look a lesson in there, you know. You know what I say? I look a lesson in there, man. All right. Killer Miller said, nothing nicer than when a woman a drive stick. Yeah, me agree. When time the woman them can angle the stick, you see that nice, you see? Man, I like it nice. Yeah, nice, you know. Ambassador RJ say, yeah, I'm fascinated by it. No, me like it. Me like a woman who is holistically talented, rounded, and thing like that. As long as she not in a competition with me. I don't want a woman who in a competition with me. Right? And as long as she allow me to be a man. Boy, I tell her, say, well, I know, there was this thing I need for do. Let me see if yeah, some woman out there nowadays with this feminist thing, you know. And this, them gone too far with the thing, yo. Well, and yo, this thing I give me a warm time for my day, you know. Oh. I don't even understand what I do here, so, you know, because TikTok is so damn confusing, man. Wait there. One second, baby. Okay. Boy, I'm gonna know it there, you know. Look, feet. You know, sometimes TikTok too confusing, you know, man. And yeah, so Sexy Nisha, big up yourself, see? Terry, see you. Cheryl Bless, large up. Sharon, big up yourself. K, Smiley, large up. Everything is everything. So with the pan shock mix-up or any other mix-up on have, any mix-up where you know involve like a big shock, something you never expect for happen. You're just so shocked and surprised that it happened and all these things. Give it the 100 and thing. Hello?
Hi, Raga. I actually was calling to comment on what you said just
Yeah.
a while ago. I'm going to tell you something. If you did closer, I would have given you 1,000 kiss.
Blessing.
As much as, well, I grew up as a daddy's girl. I mean, my mother and father was in the household, but I was the last child and the only girl at the time. So I learned everything from daddy. How man supposed to treat me, how me supposed to be, just everything. My father would have carried me go Cherry Gardens, and then the next time with the St. Thomas by the seaside. I mean, well rounded. But the thing was, I got married late in life because a lot of people that met me saw me in survival mode. Meaning, I had to be the man and woman in my life.
Oh, okay.
Now, I am married now for about 7 years. I'm 5'2", my husband is 6'4", and I allow him to be the man.
See it there. See it
And when
there.
me tell you, say him is the gentlest person. Him come from Guyana and him have to ask me one time, excuse me, at the Warren part of Jamaica you come from? Because him never he has never been to Jamaica.
Yeah.
Simply because of how I will get in defense mode when we go anywhere and any injustices come up.
Right.
But as far as anything else, I no longer put gas in my car. If there's anything wrong with any of the cars, I
Yeah.
take the one that is driving. My
Yeah.
husband takes care of all of that, and I have no problem.
All right.
When we go out in pay, of course, if me know him short or whatever,
Yeah.
him use my card because him is allowed. You know, he's an authorized user on my card.
Right.
Just for him, for everybody knows that him are the man of the house. Now when anybody invite me anywhere,
Yeah.
I want, let me check with hubby and hear what him have to do if him have any plans before.
Exactly.
And
Exactly.
it's a simple thing. And it not make me less of a woman.
See
I
that?
feel good because all of my life, it was me. I take care of my granny, my mother, and my father.
Yeah.
So now somebody else wanting to step in,
Right.
take the garbage out, make sure so the lawn is mowed,
Yeah.
make sure the front of the house. And the sweetest thing about this man, if me down, him not have a problem. I pick up the laundry and do the laundry.
See
The only
that?
thing him not do a fold clothes.
Yeah, folding,
Me not
yeah.
have no problem. Me not have no problem.
Man, like a folding clothes thing.
Exactly, but he doesn't. But what may I say, and if him get up and him say something in the way before me get up, him not have a problem. I take the broom and sweep the house.
Sweep it, all right. And you see a responsible man like that, no? You can imagine, because you have lazy workless man who go sit down and want you to do everything, you know. But a man like him now, you see, any of you go come up with someone with them woman here depend like, now let me do this, let me do that. Things with him always I do. Cause that in a theme mind, him feel good and valued, right? For know say these are my responsibilities, and me I take care of my responsibility, and my wife appreciate me and take care of my responsibility. That is important for him, you know. So if you go start, I like look at argument, I mean, why I do not me do it myself or whatever, and all them something there, whatever. That now, you know, you gotta take with the rule what him enjoy. You understand?
Yeah, but sometimes we as women we love to be, you say no, affirmed. Meaning you want to hear it like, okay, my fridge broke down now, so me I wait for the people them to come fix it. So I had to do some rearranges. It's a good thing coming from Jamaica. You have your freezer as backup. So, but put, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
So when they take out some oxtail for cook some oxtail now. And him do something for really tick me off. So I put by the oxtail in my freezer. So him said to me, say, you know, cook the oxtail. So I say, I'm going to cook the oxtail. When I cook the oxtail and leftovers, because I don't know how to cook a little bit. What me I do with the rest of it, I have nowhere to put it. As a matter of fact, you know how to cook oxtail. You cook the oxtail. You know what his response was?
Right.
But me love when my wife cook for me. I me like when you cook for me. My vexed, you know, but you want to see like a smile.
Yeah.
Smile when and you me want to cook the oxtail, which to be honest with you, I am convinced I have cook on my face everywhere I go. Everybody
nah, but you see right there, so now him go saying it's something like, babe, me can go to the road go buy all of the oxtail from the restaurant, but it still not go taste like your one.
Same, that part.
So, all the part down, the whole, you know. And I say
but
it's
when
still.
Him say hold me, when him say love when you cook it.
Yeah, me love when you cook it. Yeah, your oxtail,
don't get me wrong, him can cook.
Him can cook.
I taught him, yeah man, because him Guyanese, but me bring him my Jamaican way how we do things. How the
right, because the Guyanese food tastes good, but Jamaicans cook better.
Which part is the Guyanese restaurant? Look how much Guyanese restaurant there, but we argue about it all the time. I say, excuse me, sir.
Yeah,
true. Restaurant is about the place.
Yeah, you're not saying about it for Guyan, but everywhere you go, it's a Jamaican restaurant.
That's right. Because it tastes good. Yes,
that's right. That's right.
So he will cook it my way, you know?
Yeah.
He will cook it, and even goat. He will cook it my way. I use my curry, different from fit them one.
Yeah.
So even that, him not eat ackee for my birthday. Ackee me get for my breakfast.
Wow.
Them kind of things.
Nice,
You know what I mean?
nice,
And anybody
nice.
would have seen would be like, oh, but him is such a gentle giant. But don't be fooled, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Him gentle.
Yeah,
When him
but
go in,
don't
him not talk.
get him.
Him just observe everything. Him see everything around him.
Mm-hmm.
And him know when to hold them and when to fold them.
Yes. See,
So we are
see.
talk today are lessons for the little young ones. The
For
little
real,
youngins
man.
them.
Yeah,
Trust
man.
me waited and I got. The wait was, I deserve
Yeah.
it.
Right. You
It
deserve
was
that. Yeah.
worth it.
Because you did that carry everything all the time and think
Me
to know you
carry
have
my
a
mother, my
partner.
father, and my grandmother. Serious thing, you know. So me I run up and down between Florida, and it was from Connecticut to Jamaica all the time. And I come Florida, I'm back and forth with everybody. My father passed, my grandmother passed, now I have my mother. But even in that, he cares for my mother.
See
I
there.
had to leave and go Miami for a week, and Raga, him cook food and carry go get her at the nursing home.
Wow.
And me don't
Yeah,
even know
man.
about that. She thinks say I'm me. Because if she knows say me out of town, she'll get sick. So all
Okay.
them little things that him do. Him leave out at night time. If him have to go out at night, him a carry Chinese food go get her. And him not tell me, she, cause she love eat. She love her belly. All when she not hungry, she want eat. But you know me, I said them little things that cover any other little flaws. Because none of us are perfect. And I'm sure
Nobody
I
not
drive
perfect.
him nuts. There are times he drives me nuts. But the good cover the bad.
See there.
And after you see we are taught to run, and then I saw in one of your comments that somebody come back and say, oh, we have masculine parts and feminine parts, and society is something with it. Let me tell you something. When we follow the Bible, and don't get me wrong, you know, I'm a Christian woman, but I know that there is missing books in the Bible.
Oh yes, yes, yes.
But when the Bible says the Proverbs 31 woman, it's a reason. It says he who finds a wife finds a good thing. It never says she who finds a husband, you know. He who finds a wife, and he did find me.
Okay.
He did find me. And after he has found me, he has taken care of me the way I take care of him.
Nice. Yeah,
We
yeah.
take care of each other.
Yeah. Then I
And nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
Make him be the man. Me want be feminine. Me no want go out there. Me no want know how to change that attire. And my father, yeah, me know how to drive stick shift. Me know all of that. I just don't desire to do anything manly. Come mess up my
Right.
pretty skin and my pretty nails. I want to know. And before him, me did a hot girl out the road, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
So that part that me I talk about. So bless
Give
up
thanks,
yourself.
man. Yeah,
Bless
man.
up yourself. And I love the counseling because a lot of people, then me said church is this and church is that, and a man write Bible. Me ask somebody one day if I did one monkey write it, if them would have believe it. God give man inspiration for write it, but there's more to seek, and wisdom better than all the riches in the world. Let me tell you. Big up
Blessings,
yourself, my
man.
friend.
All right. Yeah, man. Blessings,
All right,
man.
cool.
See, see.
To place blame on the previous administration. This makes it very clear that President Trump inherited a much worse.
People, you see that something there where she said when she busy I run up and down and I feel take care of this, all her family and thing, and then she'd have to run go. She said she'd have to run go Miami, Florida, or somewhere in Florida. And she do the cooking, right? But when she gone, him get up and him start do the cooking and carry go give her mother, her sick mother, and make sure she has sick. People, you see that them something there, and them something they build relationship. And them something they build love. And them something they make all when a woman there road and one man drive down with him big Chris S-Class Benz and him good looking and cute and money just waiting in there for him so and whatever, and him a draft for a woman and thing, and them something that makes you say, do him look nice for you, you know. He look like him have money and very pleasant guy and whatever, but Me no left my little piece of man for him, you know, because me no know if I'm that type of man that will go cook food and carry go give my mother when me not there. Yeah. I them something that people remember. Man and woman, them look anecdotal thing they will say volumes about your personality, about who you are. Now care, oh, you know somebody when you're there with them, you know. When you know that, I want to keep on a there, I want to still learn the person. All 5 years later, you learn something new about the person you're there with. 10 years later, you still learn certain things, depending on what happening now in your life. Too. Right? So you find, say, how you angle certain situation and thing, and that go really, even over time, reveal who you are and make people affirm and say, John, you swear she do. Yeah, she just remind me why I love her, you know, because, yeah, you see that thing there what she do. Actually, you don't even know, but yeah. Never really imagine say this thing that go happen and she that go react that way, but boy, yeah. Pick the right one type of thing. You know what I say? Yeah, a woman go through it to like John, you know, you see when him do all them something, they just remind me why I love him and thing. Yeah, I saw them people, yeah. Look, man, I tell the people looks and cute and them something like that. Yeah, that's certain something. You know, people have a type and you sort out and you this and I know your outfit and you clean and you smell good. Yeah, all of them things there. Yeah, I think they're important too, you know. Yeah, you carry yourself and thing and whatever. Yeah. But I'm telling at the end of the day when it comes to relationship, man, right? You know, you have that woman there who, if she cook your cow foot in a particular way, and I said, no, man, I just love how she cook that cow foot there. And yeah, it's just another ingredient in a relationship. I said, John, I love that woman, and no man, she know if I cook a cow food for me. Then you can't go buy cow foot and whatever. Yeah, but nah, I'm going to fear cow food. You know? Yeah, and look weird there, live a woman, you know, sometimes, I don't know. Some things will come up and some girlfriend will say to one, so make we go together, you know, and then you hear all one of the woman say, no, we will go other things, you know, but I don't want to go with that. You see, something like that. I don't want to go with my man or my husband. And, you know. So what wrong if you go with him or you go with me? I said, no, for something like that, would I rather go with him, you know? What difference? No, it's a different, you know? Yeah, them look at something there, you know? Yeah, that's right. As an anthropologist, I can tell you that rituals are what? You know, rituals are what build nations, it hold groups together, but rituals are what hold relationships together too, you know. And what are rituals? Rituals are repeated activities that serve to solidify identity. So each person have an identity, but each relationship have an identity. No two identities the same, not even twins. Right? And when we say identity, we are talking about who you are. No two person is the same. No two relationship is the same. And when two people come together, that is a unique relationship. There are commonalities. There are similar narratives that exist in other relationships. But every relationship is unique. And what holds relationships together? Rituals. And rituals are repeated activities with the people that they enjoy. I know a couple. Who did watch the movie with what the boy name where did the actor where they get in a trouble for all kind of sexual assault. Kevin Spacey. What the show where him did do on I think on Netflix or one of them. What the thing when him they do one show with politics, man, and him became president. Somebody I got tell me what name. And then he died in it, and him wife take over, and him wife they become president and thing. But I did that, maybe watch it for a while and what that's House of Cards, right? That's right, Shandy Dan. Shandy Dandy, you remember in a House of Cards, there was a thing where him and him wife, they have this thing where them will just go smoke a cigarette. Them have this thing where them go and look a corner, look a window and go smoke a little cigarette. No matter so never go smoke, you know. But what I'm saying when I was watching the show, that was one of their little rituals, you know. We just go away and look a corner and go smoke a little cigarette and then they just chat and whatever. And it was just their little thing, right? You know, what do you me talk to Antasha and thing and she said, no, you know, so we stay if you look at online party and thing, even though tonight was date night with hubby and I and whatever. So them, you know, these couples who have them date nights and whatever, yeah man, have a look unique rituals. And yeah, and then barbecue guy, even though him and the barbecue guy did mash up. And thing and whatever, yeah. And them, some of them build relationship, you know, turning up, showing up, and doing whatever it is that emerge, that a phony little thing, in our day-to-day existence, right? Don't underestimate that thing there. If you see the man reliably get up and carry out the garbage, women love that in a man. And it's not about the garbage. It means that she can't carry out the garbage. If him not dead, she can carry out the garbage. But for women, you see that man that who get up and just know, she not have to say nothing, him get up and him carry out the garbage. Or him wash her car. She never asks it, and him just get up and go wash her car. Like every 2 weeks, him wash her car and detail it. She not ask for it. Right? Him might clean out the gutter around the so and whatever. Or, you know, me telling about this couple. Right? Them did must be 30 years and whatever. And then when it was 20 odd. And when we asked them, like, me and my then girlfriend at the time, we asked the woman, like, what is the thing you most enjoy? You know, what is the thing you most enjoy with him or you love him for whatever? And the woman said, this is somebody who she did with 20, must have 26 years or whatever, you know. The woman said, no, at evening time, we what, when you know Jeopardy come and then Wheel of Fortune. So then watch Jeopardy and Wheel of Fortune. And she said, we watch Jeopardy and Wheel of Fortune together. But him know how me like my tea. And him get particular about making my tea just the way I like it. And he make my tea every evening when we are going to watch Jeopardy and Wheel of Fortune. And him bring me tea, and him very particular about giving me tea at the right temperature and whatever. There's this thing where she want the tea bag for in the tea for a certain time, and it have to take out a certain time with a certain amount of sugar, whatever. And him just want to make sure she every evening him make sure say our tea, sir. And she said then him sit down, and she said him always take up my foot and put in her lap, and we sit down and we watch and we talk and whatever, and him massage my foot. These were rich people, well, you know, people of means, you know. And that is what she, out of them 20 odd years of relationship, she was just like, yo, that's it for me. That was their ritual. That's one of them ritual. Right? You mean why your husband have rub up your toe and why? No, I mean why rub up. That worked for them. That was for them ritual. And she just love him. That's one of the things she does love. Yo, that man, him just make sure some tea. It's just a cup of tea. Just rubbing foot and whatever. It's Jeopardy and Wheel of Fortune. I feel them thing. Right? And you find that the relationship them at work, them have them little ritual there, them have for them thing. Them I know not no standard will work for everybody. Yeah, it's just gonna have to evolve phone thing. And that evolution occurs when you're there, when you turn up, when you show up, when you're there and you do things together, you talk together and whatever, and you do so and so and whatever, this and that, and you know. Even if you a joke about so and so, it might be, even if you might pick on you about something and she a pick on you, I still your thing is a little joke. If you say, boy, you're not go to your department store, whatever this and that and whatever, you're not go, you look at department store and whatever, you always gone down there when you don't have nothing for buy, you gone, he might fib you, he might trouble you and whatever, but that's a funny thing. And she knows that, yeah, you're not going to start now about me and my department store. So it don't have to be anything big, you know. It can be some little something just, you know, from phone chemistry and phone activities, you know. Yeah, man, and within it, woman feel love man for be man, and man feel love woman for be woman. Now, again, I'm saying this is not a popular narrative amongst enough of when the Messiah go on out there with that I don't. You know, I'm not really care for, but you can't even two say them things at certain place, because them they go say you fight against this group and that group and that group and whatever. Me no want no woman who no want who have a challenge me all the time and allow me to be a man. And me rather a woman who me can allow her to be a woman. And if me is a man with a woman there, me must just know say me must enjoy I do so and so around her or for us or for whatever. For say, all right, boom, take care of this and thing or whatever. You see me I say? Yeah. And it no matter if she can do certain things that me always do. But allow me to do it. But if a time come when me can't do it, then me love it so she can jump in and do it. Just so you hear the call, I just know say if she in a deb out and she can't do it, and him jump in and cook a food and carry her give her mother. Yeah. Right? And I see him here, if I something what him always I do and him couldn't do it, she not eat, she go jump in and do it. And too, she can't do it long time, but she rather him do it because that is where, you know, she say she carry this thing as a woman all the while for a long time and she alone. I do everything and she have a man now who step up and I do him for doing whatever. She love it. Oh, you mean? And him love it too. You see it? Big up on yourself, you know. All right. But with that one shock me, because there were reasoning, you know, one day I would just drop in a little reasoning and things sometime, you know. But if you not have any shock, mix-up and thing, send on. Hello. 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 See, Nick's Chemical say, I want to be loved. Buju Band. Nick's Chemical. Are you a woman or a man? I just need to know. Someone know who I'm for relate to. Nick's Chemical. Are you a woman or a man? Chumpy, where your answer for? Me want. Nick's Chemical. Are you a woman or a man? Man. All right, cool. Me know it's a Nick's Chemical, but me just want. All right, cool. Just sure, so that me not get in trouble. Because I've gotten in trouble before with some stuff. Yeah, so me rather ask, you know. And think I just know what I'm going.
Yes, Raga, it's me. Hi, good evening. It's me.
Well, I'm going to have it.
Not a thing. Good evening, everyone.
With the other page.
Yes,
Yeah.
because I don't know what I go on. I try, I reload the page, everything, to restart my phone. I don't know what I go on. I don't know what I do. It looks like my mother
It's tab the. Well, of course, big up yourself, you know, Ghana there and thing, you know, say I'm a place that I'm adapt. I say I love a place, I love a country, you see, man. Big up yourself, of course, so I'll be back there in April. All right, then, yes. So I make me feel say I have sabotage your thing, man.
Me feel like same now want me over here to tell the wife saying that him did look. Wifey Tav did look. I lie him I tell him did look. Me a inform now. Backside.
Yeah, because him love inform pan people. Him love inform pan people. So yeah.
And tell me say him a go make Ragashanti know how me look. In did look. Wifey me I tell the truth now.
Yeah. And I ask about the good.
Yes. And I tell lie for me. But anyway, Raga, what happened if the woman, the topic we talk about just now, what happened if the woman can do the things them, the manly things them, and the man not show the interest in them kind of sit there?
All right. And that has happened.
What if you don't know how to tone down and be the woman because the man not lead right?
Well, you see, in those instances, the woman usually indicate to the man, like the woman will say, John, someone said with the picture you can fix that for me or whatever. And John said, yeah, me I go look on it. All right, boom. 1 week gone, nothing no do. Johnny never say, yeah, go do something. I'm not tell you, say, me I go do it, my girl, man. But yeah, just call no man, me I go do it, man. Boom. Before you do it, 1 month pass. So what the woman do? She get up and she go do it.
Me no bother ask.
You know bother. Then John I go say, then me never tell you say me I go do it and then you not do it and whatever. Then if you do it, then go and go do it now. You see when that happen, the man not deal with it right. I know your fault.
If him not lead right, me not
lead right. And they want me know the woman eventually end up not respecting him. Right? Now, it might be that him have other good qualities where he might take care and whatever, so the woman will balance it up. But if it's a general thing with him and whatever, the woman end up, I think, say, she said, then why you him have around me? Yeah.
If the fuse want change now the plug,
Yeah.
If the pipe I give problem and it's in the washer sitting on If the flooring
why him do? What is his value? What is his value? Why him do around in a relationship?
Him will cook on them something there, you know, tidy up sometime and them things. Don't get me wrong, but when it comes to that, as me said, the manly stuff, as what the society would deem as the manly stuff, it's me. Literally, it's me. If the house want paint, I do it. The old goddamn house by myself, and the man sit down.
Well. But he might value otherwise, though. He might value otherwise, though, right? Him step up otherwise.
So?
Well, me just ask, you know, when me say if him not step up otherwise, then...
As me say, him will cook. You know?
Yeah.
Him look tidy up when him ready.
Tidy up, cook and thing, yeah.
Like, me not dash out rubbish. Me not carry out rubbish. Me not carry out no rubbish. Me live with a man. That's not my department. You will... sort out the rubbish and go throw it away.
So him do that? Simple thing. Him do that, okay. And him clean up too and him cook and them something, eh?
Yes. But when it comes to the things him do, as me say, if the fuse want change, he not think or no say that me have to go in there go myself and say, look, I this one change and open it up myself, get the fuse and change it myself and we're good to go.
No, but this is important, you know, because you see what you are described. Again, you know, it's does the person have value in the relationship? Now, a man can have value in a relationship, but not take care of the traditional manly stuff, you know.
Well, I made put him there, so. Him do have value, but he need to take care of the traditional stuff. It's me.
All right, let me give you an example. I know a couple right now, right? The woman do everything. You see what you say? The woman do everything in that house. She do everything in that house. But the man work 6 days a week, 12 hours a day. And that put them in a ratchet house at Long Island and allow them to live a certain life. And her thing is like, no. When him doing whatever, him don't even have time when him come home and think him not time. Me have to do all of them something there.
Yeah, but me
I
work
want
too.
to, you understand? So what me I say is, him not do the traditional thing, you know, but he's bringing value, though.
No, and that if I'm at home and I'm not working, and my partner is working and bringing in the bread, of course, automatically I'm gonna take care of everything, including him. Do you understand? But
Yeah.
I'm working as well. Whether I expect me to take care of everything same way, I may work too.
Right. Well, you have a point there, okay. If you are working, I work.
But me would take care of everything in the household same way by myself. How that want to work out?
Okay.
You know,
And then theme work is not way any more significantly demanding than your work, correct?
my one demanding more. Me work at home and me work at work. If you get what I mean, me physically active at both directions. Cause them time they are KP, me I doing at the kitchen porter. So me I wash up, me I tidy up, me I share food, you name it.
Yeah.
And me I do the same thing at home. This basically the same thing we do at work and the same thing we do at home.
Right. So yeah, that is a concern for a lot of women, you know, for a while now, and it has gotten stronger.
Yeah, and then we will still find time to open up.
The idea is that the woman's supposed to do all these things at home while she at work full time. Him I work full time, but him I work full time, him come home, him not do nothing at home. She I work full time, and as soon as she come home after working full time and tired, she have to do everything at home and whatever, and she not get no help and no support.
Find time.
Yeah.
So when you say you know want a woman where go in a, me can't help it, sir. My mouth go open. Me mouth go open. Me can't. That's why I think the man I got with me, because I know my flaws, you know. And my mouth are one of my flaws, because me not sit down and make certain things go on, and I keep quiet, and I build up things inside of me towards my partner. That don't make no goddamn sense. I talk. And if I talk, I not hear them, they go cuss next.
No,
and if you go be a crazy next.
If that is the case, then you have justification to be
So I might seem as not the type of nagging woman. I don't mean for nag, but if you not lead like you're supposed to lead, you're going to hear my mouth to fix up.
Right. You have to lead.
A woman like me always get bashed. Oh, you go like you're a man too much. You're too strong. When I move into that property, I was there, Raga. I'm me alone. I tell you from flooring to painting, everything I do my goddamn self in my 3-bedroom flat. Everything I do myself. Remember me one little smaddy, you know. Me just 5'1", I miss me lily bit. I want lily woman you talk to. And me do it. Me know me just one bump and something, you see there's a spring, me so Lord Jesus.
So you were saying when you move into your 3-bedroom flat.
Yes. The smile go catch me, man. Me bring my mind in a one place, you know? Yes, the smile catch me.
Girl, you need to stop.
The smile catch me. I just put my mind in one place. I'm just picture myself out here.
Yeah.
Anyways, you know, I can't hear one story differently still.
No, I hear the story differently, yeah.
Me say, the girl tell me say,
yeah,
and her baby father, they together, ex-husband, everything in a ras one, that them and they be. But anyway, they living at the same house, right? They said they left. Well, she said they left, and they living at the same house. The man not said they left, but she said they left. But they living at the same house, and she can't get out because of circumstances, you understand? Right. So anyways now, the man a do him thing, because you know man bad a road and all of them something. So one night now he left the house. Before he left, he tell the girl, say, oh, he go get her brain food for her, if you know what I mean. The green one.
Yeah.
So remember, say the girl depressed, you know, because relationship broke up. Things now go too well, she feels stuck and that kind of thing, so depression will lick out her caca, you understand? So she need her medicine for calm her nerves to deal with that every day.
Yeah.
Anyways, the man left and gone all long, she can't see me come back, like, so she start ring the phone. So the phone not get no answer, so she start the phone because she want her medicine, like she said. So next thing me know, nobody no answer. After about 5 minutes now, the girl say, want somebody ring the house phone and she answer it. And now she hear BITCH. You know, see her ring the man phone and he not answer you. Me crack clad, Raga. No, No, the girl said she never experienced that sitting there in her life ever. So she never know how to deal with it too well. She never react too well. The girl come out of the house.
Yes.
And go downstairs. I look for the man car. I no see the car. She go see the girl car. When they with. So look at him park up the girl car and drive him one guy no ask me all that work out, but at that affair car me see. Sorry, the girl see.
The girls.
Yes. Anyways, now when she go and she see the car downstairs, she decides she go get a knife and she write on the side of the car, "You are the effing bitch." On both sides.
She use the knife and
knife and scratch it in the car and she punch every car tire where she see around there.
Jesus God, why the girl go do that?
The girl go back up in the house and the girl take one piece of card and tie up the door. The front door so the man can't come in at the house. She tie up the door because she know what she a go do. And she go in at the wardrobe and she get every clothes in there. Every piece of clothes you can think of and them drop in at the bath. In at the bath. In the bath. Let me pronounce it properly.
And then they fill with water and bleach.
Yeah, man, there you go. We get every pair of shoes and the knife got through every pair of shoes at the bottom. You see every belt and everything a designer, you know. Everything a designer. You see every belt with the bling bling buckles and the blang blang buckles and all kind of buckles. Them they cut in a two with the scissors.
No, the girl got too far though.
She go far, but you have to understand, say. She not used to them something they remember see a fear man, you know, no matter if them say that she say them left, you know, a fear man, a fear baby father, a fear husband. Maybe it was ex-husband at the time, but nonetheless, a fear, yes, you understand? So when a girl will come bright herself, and I blame the man, sorry, she blamed the man because of the man fault. He make the girl feel like she's entitled to call back phone. Because
well, yeah.
You ring down the phone and you not answer it. You wait till the man left. Then you go pick up phone and call back. Girl, you're bright. She blame you. Have your fault. So you and the girl property I get mashed up because that's all she can do. And she make sure she tie up herself in the house so you can't come in there. You know, so when she do all of that now, and she get the man on the phone and she argue with the man because the man decide to answer the phone when time him reach near. When she look through the window, she see the man pull up in a nice blue convertible drop topper where they want to call it car, you know, 2-seater, you know. Hey.
Yeah.
The catty pack one bag, teacup, cologne bottle. The pitney them they have one frog sitting when you open it, it sing with Sweetie go in there from him sitting there. She packed everything in the bag where she see her. She dip on the phone and cuss the man, you know.
Oh, this are the girl, right? This are the girl.
Yes, the girl. She
man.
see her head through the window.
Yeah.
And she see the car park up and she say, "Hey, I pee, I want me come. She want you come out of the car, you know." And he go run off his mouth about one tear. You see, he could have finished the sentence, but he want this. Pie straight down to the teacup go. You only a pashy windscreen broke. The tie sitting the pin them Sweetie box fling down there be a sing in the ear go on because it open up and sing. Everything cologne bottle, everything went down in the car. Film windscreen broke up. I know say she the girl end up pay the film windscreen and the car back. The girl with this, the girl, my friend, with this, my friend, and she have to end up pay back for every ratty thing.
So what I know. Oh, when him did find out, say, what she do that would cause the girl to do that?
Him not do nothing. A punk. Him drive off the night. Him no same.
No, but him did find out that night, they said, that make the girl flip on him.
Yes, cause the girl had on the phone with them and make him know say you're bright. You make your girl call the phone and ray.
Oh.
That's out of order. It no matter what we are go through. What the
No,
hell?
she should not do that still. She should not do that. You
So
see
the
them
cat
woman there?
went crazy and mash up everything. Went crazy and mash up everything. Me I tell you. Hey, me not lie now. My friend met that man. They put her through some crazy sitting, you know.
Yeah, the girl,
Wow.
yeah, whatever.
All one
No,
night
but
she
the
waiting.
girl had chip to do.
Yeah, but she have a right for her head chip, but not she. Why I mean I know it was a crazy situation.
Well, yeah, she have a right,
when
but
you
she
feel
go far.
stuck-
She go too far. She go too far.
Yeah, she go too far, but you know, you feel stuck and you can't get out of your situation and it's a mad you. And this person, all the neighbor, you know, one night me have to lay with him, you know. Sorry, the girl have to lay with him.
Yeah.
Out of the lift, you know, me I tell you, you know, cause the man decides send you over the neighbor yard, lock up with the neighbor with him out of herself, you know. After him bring the girl go down at the area, you know, and you lock up with the neighbor, she out there and lay with the caca class, this man, as you come out of the lift, as him come out of the lift, John Shop open up on him, Backlana sauce reach him pump out. Him have to run, go back in at the lift, me I tell you.
But wait, but what you
my
mean?
friend people like me, you know.
Not over and brethren him did they?
The bush bridging I'm girl.
Oh, okay.
The color girl, me no want to say the color, that color there. I you know, say me remember one time.
Well, and that color there?
Yes, that color there.
Them people
the girl,
there?
he find one blonde ear in the bed one time when she come visit, you know. And the girl give her runway, you know. So she come visit and find one blonde ear. I got talk about it, say, oh, falls here. Me not idiot, me get to find out I didn't neighbor across the building, the next side of the building, so I lay wait till the whole night till after 4 in the morning. The girl lay wait him the whole night till after 4 in the morning until he come out and me I tell you say one piece of sitting. Yes, me I show you how woman wicked. Yes, the man wrong. Yes, him wrong for what him do. And yes, the girl hurt and everything. And the girl decide to pick up things in her and fling things and lick down the man and all kind of sitting, bust all in head and all kind of sitting. And when the man hold the catty and wheel her up one time and fling her down and go, hey, she talk bad, you lick me for girl.
You see it? You see your woman you see your woman wicked. You see your woman wicked.
She talk bad long time, you lick me for girl. Yes, me I show you how we wicked and tan bad, knowing full well said the man couldn't take the frustration and the boss said no more.
Yeah.
And you the man from now till man.
Violence, perpetrate violence upon him. So violence beget violence, right? Yeah.
She love Pat Baggy, see? Lord Jesus.
No, but you help me understand something, right? You know, it's several times since you talk, me say you go too far, right?
I know me the girl.
The girl go too far, right? So each time I say that, you have some woman in the chat. They must say, Raga, shut up. Raga, stop it. Raga, stop it, right?
No, the girl go too far.
No. So basically, they must say, you have a right for doing what you want.
No, it's
hold on. So me have a question. No. You hold on. Me finish and get to my question when I ask you. Right? So here's my issue. In multiple instances, right on the internet or in shows and whatever, when women do what the man do or get in some violation or whatever, and when the man turn around and perpetrate violence upon the woman, we hear all women say, him still don't have a right to be violent against the woman, right? Don't we hear woman do that all the while? Say, yes, she wrong, but him don't have a right to perpetrate violence upon the woman, right? All the while, when come out and when defend woman, they say, when rightly so. But somehow, when always justify violence against the man and the man for take a violence. When for go, man.
Me on your side, Raga. Me the woman will agree with you. Your lick get expect to get licked back.
Thank you.
No,
Thank you.
I truth.
Right.
You no matter the sex.
Right, it's like some man that have feelings, right?
No,
again, remember, we I say the man wrong. I mean, I said, boy, you go too far.
And I did. That's why tie up that's why the girl tie up the door. She tie up the door.
Yeah.
She can't get in. She tie up the door.
Yeah. But you see a woman wicked or whatever and them something, them, me take note of them something, you know, because me I say that understanding as a woman is, you know, somehow it is okay, violence against man and man for take it and this and that and re. But everybody understanding so the violence not for go against you. And when a woman wrong, him still not have a right to put violence against a woman. Uno say it, very clear. But somehow it do apply to man too, because man are not human being too, right? And a man have feelings too. A man not go snap and them not for snap them for just take it and take it. For go a man.
I could have tell her the story and talk like a typical woman, you know, but I admit my truth, you know.
You keep it 100, you keep it 100. Yeah.
I wickedness start because I know why the man snap back for me, but the woman in me, ball out, you lick me for woman.
No, man, but I mean, just want to thank you for just come out and make we know 100 and thing because
Yeah, man.
a lot of women them a tell about that story there, you know, and them
No,
not
man,
keep
we bad.
them not balance it up the way you do, you know.
No, man, we're bad. And we love play with card, man. No ramp with we.
Yeah.
Are the truth.
Yeah.
But,
Yeah.
ladies,
Boy, the girl I go through it though
do
still,
not
no.
eat if you don't want to be eat back.
Thank
The
you.
only time I will say something is if the man, like say if the woman give one eat and then the man go full force, I go bang, 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 bang. You don't need to go there, so.
Yeah.
You know, you don't need to take it to that level there. Have
Yeah.
some self-control, you understand?
Yes,
But
yeah.
if you eat, expect to be eat back. Stop telling me about me, I mix up myself. Me just a talk too fast. And my story are the girl's story.
Right, I want to Diana
And
Watson.
the girl's story, I me a talk too
The
fast.
girl's
Man.
story, Diana, I want me to you. Diana, just listen.
And you Raga tell lie for me about me, and not me.
I slip my mouth slip. It's the girl.
Right.
Diana, you must just listen. Tap chat, don't say nothing. So humble yourself and just listen.
The girl go through some craziness.
The girl
with
go
that
through
man
it
there.
thing.
I don't know why she
Yeah.
did, but me I tell you over 20 days of craziness. Me say them other stories me can call every week and give Raga.
No, but me I tell you, say you make some good point a while ago, and I would suggest that when you see the girl again, just share the points them when you make to the share them with her here.
I will do. I will
share
tell
them
her,
with
man.
her because
A good girl still enough.
a good girl still. No, my
Yeah.
mind tell me say I'm good girl
Yeah,
still,
man.
you
She
know.
just
She
come from
does,
the
you know.
ghetto and did have a lot
Yeah.
of toxic traits, you know, but
You
she grew
see
up now.
You see it, you see it. And
can laugh about
it sounds to me that she's improving to daily,
Yes.
you know. She's
Yeah, that's what I'm
becoming,
saying.
she's
She
a better
can
person.
talk and laugh about them now, but, you know,
Yeah.
that was her then.
I think the girl a good girl.
Yes, she a good
Yeah, a good girl.
girl.
As we would say, I get to a good girl, you know.
A good girl, yes.
A good girl,
yes.
a good
So,
girl.
when you stop tell lie for me,
On
it's
the
not
girl,
me.
yeah.
So when you
No,
see me
no.
come up and when you see me on the internet, don't come and say fine wine. Me I go tell you say listen, did I ever tell you say it's me? It's the girl. She
It's
may
the
not have a
girl.
name, but it's the girl. And not
Girl,
me, and the girl
yeah.
what me know. She have
Yeah.
enough stories and she share them with me because she love chat. You understand?
Yeah, I would not entertain no form of inaccurate characterization of anybody here. When we talk
Exactly.
about the girl, is a girl, right?
The nameless girl.
Right.
Raga, big up yourself.
Big up yourself, boo boo. Blessings, man. That's our word. Yeah,
All right,
cool,
then,
man.
darling.
Cool,
Bye,
cool.
guys. Good night.
All
Get
right,
it on
Cavi,
Raga.
cool. One Cavi. All right. Beer stub, I drink beetroot this evening too. Yeah, beetroot I drink, you know. Red juice, don't. Red juice. People do remember say next week Saturday I'm a party, you know. All right. Ragabash, Amazura, Queens. Ragabash at Amazura in Queens. I want to come out, come celebrate with me, you know. And you're guaranteed to have a good time also, right? Music are nice, we're gonna laugh and go out with something them and thing. It go up the scene, just forward, right? Somebody post and say, gangster no drink out a straw, your favorite fart. Yeah, why gangster no drink out a straw? Because you have to suck it through the straw, don't it? Don't it, King Yardy 41? Yeah. Because you have to suck it through the straw, don't. Yeah, and you know suck nothing too straw, don't it, King Yardy 41, don't. King Yardy 41, your mouth innocent, don't. Eh? King Yardy 41, well, you not post again? Eh? Yes, a gangster. Well, people don't get pan in case, you know, see, put the laugh emoji them there, you know. But that trouble, I trouble me, I make trouble, and me I make trouble too. So, so King Yardy 41, you know, click on me and you will see who you chat. But now click now, yo, dress up that man. Dress up that man. What do you mean click on you? Dress up that man. But Mr. King Yardy. No, that not sound right, you know, about me if you click on you. Let me see. But me not see how. Me click on him and me see how me not see how. Dog, me not see nothing, you know. So I know what you say. Yeah. Tell him the dog bad man no click pan man. Jamaican, you know, don't be a foolish just for keep up, you know. Yo, dog, how you talk about man for click pan, yo? Why? You know, nah, click pan a guy around here, you know. All right. Use a shot love. Say, I just love your show. Raga, you remember me? Seymour Elegance. Yeah. Afro Latino, big up yourself, you know. People next week, Friday. Next week, Saturday, I'm a party. Next week, Saturday, I'm a party. Buy tickets. I may have some tickets to give away here. I have some tickets to give away for some people pay for it. And anybody who want to buy tickets to me give away, just you know, 516-500-0210. Anybody who you know you hold on the maroon. If you know you can't come to the party but you want to support anyway, you can buy some tickets to me give away, all right? If you know you can't come to the party but you want to support anyway, you can buy some tickets to me give away. Right? The number 516-500-0210. 516-500-0210. Okay? I make me know. I may have some tickets to give away. So if people want to come, and you know, you really can't find the funds to buy the ticket, you link me and them, we'll make arrangement for get a couple tickets here because some people buy some tickets, all right? Great things. Maroon, what go down?
What? Tell King Yardy say, ain't click on shit.
I ain't clicking on shit. No way. I ain't clicking for shit.
Next thing you click your stick.
Yeah, next thing I click and then mistake. We can't stick with no click. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, we not stick with no click around here. What go on, Maroon?
I'm not some pain, man. I say I want to joke my car for give out myself. I don't know, mix up, you know, it's a joke. Remember. So, I used to work at a hospital before this one I'm working on.
Yeah.
So this blasted white crackhead boy then pick up off of the road. Drugs overdose carry come at the hospital, Raga. Me in the ER, you know, I walk, I go about my business, you know.
Yeah.
They have the boy on one stretcher, wait for the ambulance to take him to the psych unit.
Yeah.
I got me walk past this stretcher. Me I'm gonna feel myself move from about here so to about a yard in a star. Me I'm gonna hear, bitch, get out the way. One kicking on my back in a Raga. One, me say the boy land me a kicking on my back a pass. Me a pass about my business, you know. One big
when kicking for when him just not right it?
He not right it, crackhead.
Oh, okay.
And then they are real, but he's still racist, you know?
Yeah.
They are real and I go on in and then call for code gray, I mean, you know, people were not so righted.
Right,
so security and the police them were on spot come for hold him down the more time down. Oh, go to the code too. Because me I go get back my revenge now. Yeah, it's when they hold down that. I put my hand on your arm, you know. And I find a little fat part of your hand that's how I hang down. And Raga turn it and I turn it and I turn it and I ring it and I ring it.
Hold on. What you say you put your hand back?
Right hand, a little fat part of your hand right up opposite your elbow. Opposite your elbow.
Yes, so yeah, bro.
Go up more.
Up there, sir?
Yeah, see some fat people out there and
hold on. At this here talk, up here say you talk?
Yes.
At this you call the fat part of you?
Yes, man.
Well, you lost me, man. Like, you know. And when you say the fat part of your hand, man, it's like, what? So this are the fat part of your hand, right?
Right there, so yes, sir.
Yeah. All right. This is called your biceps, here. Yeah, your bicep.
I roll it, Raga, and I ring it, and I turn it, and I ring it, and I turn it. It's
Yeah.
when in the ball you F that F earth, that F earth. You me to myself, you don't know who you just kick. It's a Jamaican,
Yeah.
you just kick. And Raga, I turn it and I turn it and so him not everybody hear my ball out, you know, then things you through them I pin him down, make him a ball out, you know. And Raga, me nah let you see when then tie him down, me say, alright, you see me look, me say blood pa me and you me your bitch you, how you kick.
Oh, so how blood reach by your hand then if I squeeze it, just a squeeze it?
Not tearing and tear up when me ring you in white, you know.
Oh, okay. So probably your nails are going on or something too, you know.
Me hold him and with me finger lappy flesh, man. And
Right. Him out tired, a man for go kick you down, so.
One big kick and but bitch get out the way.
Bitch, get out the way. Boop. And
One
yeah.
big kick on the back, I know because them couldn't do nothing because him now then claim say no in my right mind.
Yeah, no, him wrong for that still. Him wrong for that.
When me sit down sometime, find on my craft shop, me there do some crafting and me sit down right down on my back and tear me up.
Osh.
I remember it a while ago. I say, so that boy if I catch him, me take off in head, you know, man.
Okay, Osh. Sorry you go through that, alright? Alright then.
Filing for shit.
I ain't filing for shit. Alright, boo, big up yourself. You're cool, man. Cool. Yeah, shot.
About so like crime. So no crime when he keep me. Go down here. I'm gonna pay a Raga.
I'm paying them the mind in I chat, man. The people them have the biggest. It's always, you know, the people them have the biggest chat in the chat them. Always. They will never ever call in and contribute anything, right? It's always the case. In all the years me I do this. The people them with the biggest and the toughest chat and the judgmental people them and thing, them not call in. But them have the most to say about everybody else. It's always the case. Right? Tracy said, you know, Raga's so right. Always. The most judgmental people them and the biggest chat and who are the biggest experts, who know everything and are good the most instruction and whatever this and you never hear them contribute and call it. Never, ever. Alright, shock mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have, right? Any drama wanna know reaching or a result in a shock and a surprise. Somebody do something with surprise you never expect them to do go this so. Right? See Lord. Big up yourself, you know. And somebody subscribe today, you know, big up the new subscriber and thing. Who did subscribe? I say somebody subscribe, I may try him by name, you know. But big up the person who subscribed today, yeah? All right? Man. I know some of them people, yeah. All right. Surprise mix-up or shock mix-up? Any mix-up where you know, you see somebody at yourself.
Call you know answer me Raga.
Eh?
Call how much time and you not answer me request.
Eh? At that you come up by first thing, come out of your mouth.
See him so because I start mad about it.
Eh? You start mad about it. Say request and I mean I get to you though.
Yeah.
All right then. So see you come in now. So what's up?
All right, you know, I want to do it. Me I figure you know a long time.
Mm-hmm.
You know, one soldier man. I want girl and the girl always anybody talk to her man, she go confront them and make problem.
Jesus, one of those, huh?
Yeah, I tell you. So this girl now, what we know good, he must sleep with this girl. So I don't know if I wash out she take or she eat something bad or what. So this time in come from Kingston now and in come in a district in St. Mary. So He got the girl to go have sex with the girl.
Well, which one now? The Bonner girl or I'm straight up jealous
The Bonner
woman?
girl, the Bonner
The
girl.
Bonner
and
girl.
the
Your
girl
friend,
sex
the
with.
Bonner girl, we must sleep.
Yes,
Okay,
and I'm
yeah.
my friend. We just know her in a
You
year.
just know her. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So he go for go have sex with the girl, and
Mm-hmm.
he have sex with the girl and whatever, and turn her back way, and
Backers,
start
yeah.
start backers, and when he start backers, shit fly out all over him. So
What you say? Do the fly out her all over him?
I tell you, in plus him with the doodle, but she live near one sea. She live near the sea.
No, well, we not left you do the yet. When him a do him? Well, man. So when him a put her on the backers for now and thing, and then at some point, cause you just said shit fly out. So you say it the white just spray out him.
Spray out all over him.
What?
Everywhere.
When all over him face and
All
thing.
over him.
Oh, you know what that mean though?
It look like she did take wash out or she eat something in her
No,
graveyard.
man, our position, man. You see, cause you know, idiot backers are when the woman head up, you know.
Yeah.
Good backers are when her head low, you know, and body cock up, you know, man,
Yes.
and thing and whatever. But you know, so the trajectory now is going up. So you find that when she start let off the gunshot and thing, wet up in no.
Because it look like say she did been then they near the seaside because look like they need in a house because to all me hear it is like you run go joke off in the sea. So it look like she did been
Mixup and Blenda
it look like she did been over hold her ankle or something. So
nah, man, she probably done some man and body cock up, man. You know that backers there and thing and cheeks are slap up and all them thing there and whatever and things. So she shoot up, you know. That is the thing, you know. Right?
So, yeah.
It was an anal blast, you know, to the north. Sorry. It was an anal blast to the north. Yeah, it was an anal blast to the north. And you know that the gentleman was I want to say downstream, but in
And
this
him a
case, he
soldier
was
too, you know?
upstream and him a soldier too.
Yeah.
So he was hit, you know. We had a casualty there.
Yeah.
Man down, man down, man down, man down, man down.
He was in a battle.
Man down. When somebody reach him now, him training by time just kick in, you know, just instinctively. So I'm like, I'm hit.
So we must start spread now. Yeah, this part now?
Yeah.
We must start to spread now, you know.
Yeah.
So it happened. Somebody see one dreadlocks, I think, was at the seaside smoking weed and see what go on.
Mm-hmm.
When he chuck off and sitting and hear what go on. So but tell somebody else say, you know, so the eye, calling name riding. See the eye ride. Chuck off in the sea after I look like him a deal with a thing up on the beach there. So
Yeah.
and when I investigate, I realize the girl shit him up.
She shit him up. She shit him up.
Yeah,
she shit him up.
permanent woman where always a contact people, but she sort of stammer. So the personal woman sort of have a stutter.
Yeah.
So when she hear about it, she come down go look for the girl now, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And me say you shit up my man. Tell me no Raga. Would you confront that woman as a woman?
You know, hold it down and
That
cool,
shame.
man. No, man. You're not going to say nothing to this and a shame, yeah?
Me
Yes,
say,
yes,
for me man, shit up my man.
Shit up my man.
Raga. Hey, you know, so she couldn't pass down for me way.
Eh?
She couldn't pass my ear, I know. Neither the girl would do the shit in her she, because every time I see me stand up, I lay motor and say, shit.
Yeah, I'll need to stop,
I
man.
run.
Yeah.
I run because I don't want them fight me.
Go
And
be-
then now when I see the girl, I call her Wackle.
Wackle?
You don't know what is wackle. You remember the old time was them when they
Yeah,
mix up
wackle
the
and
mud
dab,
and
yeah.
fling when they flinging mud.
Yeah, wackle and young people now go get that one. Younger
So we
one.
say
Yeah.
every time we see you, we say wackle.
Wackle.
I remember
Wackle.
saying wackle and dab.
Yeah, wackle
My
and
mom-
dab was that type of house where
We
you
say,
don't know when them a flash of cement. Wackle and dab. With
this
the
was I go
mother.
back at town for how much more we not seen come back.
John, no, man, the dog, man. Yeah, man. This was I'm hit. Take cover. I'm gonna take cover, man. Run and chuck off in the water. Don't blame him.
I tell you.
Don't blame him.
Yeah, one
John.
next wicked one for you, know, but I don't want to hold up the time.
No, me run the show. Talk it.
All right, hear this now.
Make them come say something to me, because I know me will send them up, you know.
Me did get beat up for that one I do. The girl they beat me up for it, cause me trouble her.
Oh, you get a beating, though.
Yeah, hear this now? So one time there was two brother, one named Chief
Well,
and
something I
one
play
named
back of you, somebody I watch it.
Oh, what's my I TV make me turn it off.
Yeah, okay.
So this guy, two of them a fisherman.
Yeah.
So this girl in the district sort of, you know them little easy girl where give them chun. Anyway, same seaside business.
Yeah, get a bicycle.
Yes, get a Brother, you kill me.
No, they call him. You don't know some bicycle, man. You live a get a man, you have one bicycle, it just, and everybody ride it. It's like street car. And when they ride it, them don't even put no fling it down and thing, and then you see everybody ride it. So I look at old bicycle, everybody ride, yeah.
In fact, I did have one boat, down the seaside. So I catch my brother-in-law, I ride him underneath the boat. And me find that every time I see them, I collect money from them. Because then my brother-in-law no want me tell my sister, and that the girl no want to go out because I want baby father.
Mm-hmm.
So every time I collect money, I tell her, say about to pay me as me out chat. So the girl have me up. So one next night, this guy come from foreign, right? And he go eat a pum. And the girl not suck back because back in the days the girl not suck back whatever.
So hold on, the foreign man go eat for her, they get a bicycle pum pum? Oh my.
So the girl know, everybody has said to him, say, you shouldn't hear that man, that girl easy and Anyway, he said the girl, in here back said the girl at pum.
No, hold on, you get cut out a while ago.
Me know.
Yeah. What?
The girl talk about saying I eating pum and sitting. So in call the girl and say to the girl, say if you come, then go do whatever and more give her money. So when the girl go,
Wait, who ear back what? Who ear
the
back?
boy, the foreigner.
The foreigner ear back say who attack say him eat her
The
pum?
girl.
Oh, so was she really
chat.
doing that? She love chat.
Yeah. She go tell somebody say, boy, come and say first she get you and whatever.
As the first she get a little.
Back in the day, the people not into
when
stuff.
they eat our situation.
Yes. So you get kinky. So anyway, the boy call him back in our house, over in granny house, and putting cocky in her mouth and hold one ratchet knife. You remember the knife, the ratchet knife?
Yeah.
Over her head and says, suck this but not bite it. Yeah, tell people.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, tell people about me suck your pussy. Suck it but not bite. And he said he did it. He must suck it, but he might using teeth and a grudge green. So my man say, yeah, make me get too miserable.
This are foreigner do that.
Yes. So he say, I make him get too miserable. So he say, you know what? Just go on.
Yeah, break up, you know.
So
yeah, break up, you know. I don't know what you do different.
That, no, she don't have the seaside.
Listen, you move. I don't know if you move or something, but we're not hearing you, yeah?
It move.
You move a while ago or something?
Yeah, we're not here, you know.
Yeah, me move.
Yeah.
So anyway, she up on the seaside, two brother are fisherman. So one of them buy some pum from her. That's about a week after. You know, I just say I get a bicycle, you love ride. So
No.
anyway,
So what you have to tell me after what the foreigner they do with the
that
knife,
done
right?
man, that part they
Oh, okay,
done.
all
I
right,
just
yeah,
want to tell you
okay.
a story about she
Yeah.
again.
Yeah.
So she up on the seaside and she a deal with one of the brother. So the other brother now a walk a come down with a fish, you know them fish net where you throw and cast.
Mm-hmm.
So it's to something a wiggle up on the side of this on the beach side. So him think I want turtle come out, you know, because sometimes turtle come out and I say, what? Because him drink rum and I say hi. So in my fishing but in still sort of eye. You know them man they drink rum and fish now. So in throw out the net and cast it. And when he cast he realize I'm brother underneath the net.
Yeah.
So he go to the bar the next night and start sing panning guitar and I say, I went to the beach last night and when I cast, what I think I cast was a turtle. Was it, I didn't call the two name. I cast me no go trouble the girl. And when me trouble the girl come over about a week after she see me over on the beach side. Walk come down and use one piece of stick and give me a lick in my head.
And licking the head with piece of bone.
Yes. Coming and stop troubling. I sing the song where Rook took did a guy named Rook took. Where Rook took did I sing.
Yeah. So when it was a good lick you get in your head?
Yes I know. Me never can knock out. But me feel, you know.
Yeah, it connect.
Connect. Peer trouble, me say.
Yeah, no. You look like you was a little mischief maker,
Yeah,
you know.
not tell me nothing, you know. Anytime me hear nothing, you know. Nobody can walk in peace.
Yeah, man, are you a safe, don't? All right, that's our word, yeah. That's our word, yeah? Yeah.
All right, cool.
Blessings, cool.
You can help.
Yes, I. There. So me tell you the people them more. Chris see you subscribe. Big up yourself, big up all of my subscribers them over here and we welcome more, all right? We welcome more and subscribe, all right? So me tell you the people them who always in the chat I give instructions and I tell you what to do. Them not contribute, you know. Them not contribute at all. I have the biggest chat. And I tell me what to do, I tell everybody else what to do and whatever, and in favor of fart. Kimberly said she went to the beach last night. Night beach, nice. You know. Hello.
Come.
Hello. Hello. Paulette.
Hiya.
Paulette. What happened? Answer, man. We know you did it. Answer. Paulette, answer. Paulette, answer. Right here, the baby. So when you know just answer and done. We hear you laughing in the background, Paulette. So nobody just answer and done. You hear the baby there? Yes, we hear the baby, Paulette. Answer. Paulette, yes, Nick, we not just answer and done. Paulette, don't be afraid. Answer. We hear you. You just took a deep breath. You went, come on, we heard you. You're chuckling. You laugh. Paulette, why you being bad? Just answer, no? All right, if you answer, I may take you down. Just answer, I may take you down. Paulette. Paulette, the baby I give away, the baby give away, Paulette, just answer and then me take it down. Oh, the baby is so cute. Ba ba ba. Ba 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 ba. Ba ba. Paulette. Ba ba. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Make your baby talk to me, because you not talk to me. So make your baby. Ba-ba. Ba-ba-ba. You probably did that David laugh, man. Ba-ba. 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 Ba-ba-ba. Ba-ba. Ba-ba. Baba. With the year or did they laugh? Baba, Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the main, and 1 for the little. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, ba, ba. Ba, ba, ba. Paulette. Paulette. Answer me take you down. Baba. Baba. Paulette, answer me take you down. Paulette, you just did your laugh, son. Answer me take you down. This is a bad bargain. Papa. Eh? Paulette, this is a bad bargain. It's all right. Here? It's all right. All right, I'm going to take it down now. Here, Paulette? Papa, ba, ba, ba. Ba, 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 ba. All right, Paulette, I'm going to take it down now. Here? Yo, Paulette, hold it, you know? User, I really don't think she's hearing you. Man, no sense, you know. You know, hear the woman a laugh in her background. Eh? The whole of we hear the woman a laugh in her background. She hear. Yeah, Carolee, she was laughing. Me hear her a laugh several times. But watch out. No, she wasn't. You never hear GBBYSP. You never hear. We hear her a chuckling at the background. Right? Is the baby call you Raga? No, on a wrong. We don't know if the baby put it up or whatever. So all who are talk about the baby alone, they dead and thing and whatever, on a wrong. Me hear her laugh several times. I hold on the laugh and I chuckle. Uno never hear. Right? So all I want to run in and about, I don't think she hear you and she know the this and that and whatever. On a wrong. Not 1 time, 3 times me hear her laugh. See it there? And see it there, I deaf or no deaf. But because you never hear one of the things that we did here. Right? Go clean out on the ears. Wax full up on the ears. Go clean out on the ears. I have some good ears cleaner wax now on Amazon. You know, if you use the way it name the one where actually push up back the wax in your ears. You can't use the one where you turn and it circle out the wax. Circle out the wax out on the ears because you never hear when she laugh or whatever. All right, Q-tip. All right, watch out and look on my flap on the show. All who hear when she laugh more than 1 time. Post me. Put me. All who hear when Pilot laugh more than 1 time. Post me. Say me. Watch it. Me. Me. See there? All I wanna who did I say, oh, she never did it and whatever. On a career get flap. Right? When I just get a beaten. And because when I just get a beaten, you need to send on a big gift or something, because you lose. Send on a big gift or something, yeah. Right? See, the Chrissy say I heard 3 times. That 3 times me here too. 3 times me here. Yeah. Watch out, beer me. Beer me. Right? Watch out, come here. Yeah. Me know. Me here. She never want to talk and think. She afraid. Probably if they know if to take down herself. To me hear her laugh or she just load the baby with the phone or something, you know. Yeah, all I want to know did I say she never did it or whatever. I need to send her a big gift. What the biggest gift over? Hey, them have some rotted gift over y'all. $500 for them, you know, and $1,000, you know. Yeah, man, at the beginning too, she said something like, what you, like should I say, what you are queer? Or something like so. Yeah, she actually said that when she realized, say, you know, when she realized that she was up. No, man, them not, no, Dr. Mark, you know, some men really know the TikTok thing that good, but Lion is a big one over here, but it's not the biggest. You know who would I know them something? Queen Nash. Queen Nash, what bigger than Lion over here? Or Universe bigger than Lion? Universe bigger than Lion? TikTok Universe, I saw. See, what Universe are the biggest one? But Universe bigger than Lion though, right? Forgive me, people, I don't know these things, you know. Dog bite, you're full of it, man. You see enough about elephant. Dragon Flame and Zeus. Yeah, oh no, I think those two are bigger, you know. Dragon Flame and Zeus. Those are huge. Those are huge. No, them have new ones, you know, but remember I telling you with TikTok is all about layers and tiers. Tiers, you know, tier. And everything is about tiers into everything. When we say everything. And then one of them is how you get gifts, right? So the amount of gifts you get, it keeps elevating you if you keep giving gifts. So TikTok is always incentivizing you to do more of everything, right? So it's about keeping you engaged and they make money. But the higher you go and the more you open up new gifts, right? So that is part of their game, you know? King Yardy, you did watch the new... About that a while ago. Miss one plane shut off a while ago, you know? Big up who send the plane a while ago, you know? With King Yardy, so you did watch the new action gun movie we come out of Mandeville today around 1 p.m. That sounds like a sarcastic way of saying there was a shootout in Mandeville today, right? I saw it go. Nax! Me see you, hat and mustache. Oh, there was a shootout in Mandeville today. Oh, me not see the video. And serious. Big up yourself. Oh, me not see the video. Somebody will send it to me. Them always see it there. Turkey good. I say yes, Raga. Okay. Me not. Our gunman or police. Wait, only did I watch it live? DJ Randy F. Now, over $200. What is that over $200? Oh, them unalive are done. Oh, well, and oh, 200 rounds. No, wait, what? Him unalive him friend over $200. Over 4. Oh, him must name Brown man. Him the name Brown man. Him unalive a man for eggs. What him unalive somebody for egg? We who said? Who sent the plane? Who sent the plane? Who sent the plane them a while ago? Or who sent the plane? Big up who sent the plane, you know. 2 plane. Dr. Maka, you send the plane? Good. Oh, good trees. Big up yourself, you know. Big up yourself. Blessings and respect, all right? Blessings and respect. Yeah, Air Force too. All right, shock mixer. Good trees, large up, you know. Yeah, man, blessing. Any mix-up involving a shock and surprise mix-up, you know, you get a surprise or a shock. Yes, him want the man egg for $1,000, but the egg is for 1,200 a flat. And then him end up slap with the man for that. That is just awful. That is just awful. Yeah, I did hear about some about Brown man.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, what
I know
go
this
down?
stuff, and it's something we're going to where we have to discuss no more and tell you about. I mean, they panelize them.
Oh, tell me.
Yeah, so the man go a shop to go buy 1 tree ahead. The egg sells for 1,200, the man go with 1,000. Now the man tell him say money want $200 more. Him decide say now pay 200, so him analyze the man. Right? Him way back going which party man come from. Him analyze 2 other people. Then him go in a one scheme where him live. Lock up in the scheme, SWAT police, everybody has tried to get out the man out of the scheme. I saw them go to the gate, I saw the man about gunshot pan them. Live it happen from TikTok well there, you know.
What
In
you
a
said to
Mandeville.
me, yeah?
Yeah, down a Mandeville. So one of the police end up get shot. So them figure out how we know how them it look like a movie, like a acting, but a real something.
Mm-hmm.
So them figure out how them are going in the building. So them did it if you me I tell you it happen for about 3 to 4 hours live. You understand? So then finally get it. I don't know if a sniper thing them use or what, but me know say the man a fire one AK. I don't know what them the SWAT use, but one pitch him out in the go down to the afternoon hours. And I saw them jump over it. You can't know when him get the shot. Everybody start go over the fence, like the police them and the SWAT them start go over and over to take him out of the house. But him take down 4, but him dead.
What you mean take down 4?
Unalive.
No, not 3 man alive.
The man in 3 and 1 injured. The police injured and 3 were him unalive, yeah.
Oh. Hold on, that just sound like him snap though.
There's a whole lot of everybody did it on live. I watch it today. It's like a movie in Jamaica.
What you said to me, yeah, man? I never know I said that I go on.
Over $200.
Over 200 Jamaican dollar.
Yeah, 200 Jamaican dollars.
No, but it's
Then I
so...
give one little quick mix up.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Alright. One time when me young guy, you know, sometime me about 16, 17, he'd have a little boyfriend.
Mm-hmm.
But mother never want to have no boyfriend.
Mm-hmm.
So one night I go so up and sneak him in the house. So my mother, me hear like a door pull. So she come around. So when she come around, now the youth sleep down underneath the bed. So she come in the house and she turn on the light and she look round. But rather me not like them trying to look like some biting and make hole under the bed. They look like the answer, I bite him up on the knee, and he must catch and shift some woman that get the movement. So she said, she wake me up, but me not sleep, you know, so you know me have to go and let me asleep. So she
Yeah.
said, what under the bed? What under the bed? And me I say, me don't know. You know, she say asleep, me asleep. And she said, no man, me hear some shifting man. Lift up the bed, man, lift up the bed. Me never did know, say Pupa nature still strong. So, you know, after year time, you know, so when the woman I try to lift up the bed, all the boy they pan under the bed. Meow, meow, like a cat. Mommy lift up the bed and look at the big black trunk sitting stand up. So I look for them and say, come out of my house. I get some
Jesus
lick
God,
and
that time the strength up big and strong, same way though.
Me say, Raga, I get some lick that night. I couldn't forget that night. They take me down.
Proper beat me I get though.
Yeah.
God. You see it. So what I do? So what I nobody not said what the other two people them when unalive. Who were those other two people? It's just random people? Eh?
Random people. Come here, I don't put them put in other man. Random people.
No, that sound like him just break and snap. Something happened there, something. All right.
Him just crazy. Like him just tell himself, say, I eat this.
I eat
try
that,
this
yeah.
now.
I eat that,
I'm
yeah.
just fed up alive.
Him just fed up and thing and just
Me
anything.
never see nothing like that from me. For how much years me there Jamaica live. Me still live at Jamaica because me dey on vacation, going down mountain. And that's why me can't get to come here party.
Right.
But for the whole time me I live at Jamaica, I never see nothing like this happen.
No, man, that sound like him snap, man. Something like him just snap, you know? Somebody send me the videos if you can. All right, then, cool.
Yeah.
Hershey pie. Even though people usually send me anyway, so. No, man, that sound like him snap, man. That sound like something reach him and him just saying. You know, when stress a build up, I hear them say, destroy that broke a camel back, you know? So something happen and it, you know, when them thing happen, you know, just take one simple little thing for make the person just lose it, you know? Hershey pie. Rummy and Raga, yes, me send you a message. I don't know about that, man. I don't know a message and thing. All right. Surprise mix-up, shock mix-up, any mix-up you have with involving a surprise or any other mix-up you want to have or any other mix-up you want to have. Surprise mix-up, shock mix-up or any other mix-up you want to have. Or any other mix-up you want to have. Send on. All right? And don't hang on. Somebody say it's on YouTube. Of course it is. You know? Oh, yeah, man. No worry yourself, man. All right, man. Yeah. I deal with that. All right. He made some WhatsApp messages yesterday, though he premeditated the incident. Sounds crazy. Sounds crazy. All right. All who are watching, if you're not follow me yet, follow me now. Right? All I want who are watching and thing, if you're not follow me yet, follow me now. If you're not follow me yet, follow me now. Okay? If you're not follow me yet, follow me now. All right, Finesse. I see you. All right. Blessings, man. See it? Yeah, man. All one. Okay, and here we go. Everybody who there now, I want to just heart me. I don't know how it go with TikTok, all right? Heart me. And the way you do that now, you see that orange heart right beside my name? The orange heart right beside my name on your device. Just tap the orange heart there and follow what it say, all right? Just tap the orange heart there and follow what it say. Yeah, Noel, Pops, see you. DJ Randy, see you. Rosemary, National, see you. Right? Ashiba Omega, she at work. Marian, God bless. Gio, for life. Big Never 87, Andrew Mackey, Kimmy Jones, J-Berg, PUBG Hunter, Auntie Masuna, Toya. Man. Curvy Queen. See you, Denise. Sam Styles. All right. So the orange heart right beside my name. Colin Clip, me see you, my dog. You see it? Just tap the orange heart and thing. Just tap the orange heart and it will just tell you if you see. Colin Clip, big up yourself. All right. Okay, mix up time. If you have any mix up wanna have send on. Any mix up wanna have send on. Beverly Henry, big up yourself, you know. All right. Large up your large up. People don't know what I want. Yeah, big up all who send them gifts there a while ago. Raquel, Empress, baby please. Jamaica, Jamaican teddy bear, yeah. Real boss that, you know. Full support always this, you know. The man they ever hold it like a G. People, you know what I want? Like, if you do my content, correct and no orange heart on Windows. What do you mean? It's supposed to be beside my name, you know, but any device where you have as far as I know. People, you know that what them call it, the scooter thing there, it's like they're pretty popular now, but they're pretty common now. But them have some nice one out there. You know what I attack, right? So you just stand up on it and you hold it and it's a shot. What them call it? What them call it? Yeah, man. Scooter, no, it's not a scooter. It's like an e-bike. But, you know, you stand up on them, man. E-scooter, I think that's probably the name for it. Electric scooter, yeah. Oh, hold on. Somebody say, do I have a P.O. box? Yes, I do. I don't know if you can write it. If you're ready for it, Tammy, I'll give it to you. Anybody can write. It's, you know, Ragashanti. You can just put Ragashanti. P.O. Box 300-732. P.O. Box 300-732. Now, here's the part that sometimes confuse people who are not from New York City. And then it's Jamaica, New York, 11430. Right? So it's P.O. Box 732, if somebody can write that. See Alicia, sit there, man. P.O. Box 300-732, Jamaica, New York, 11430. P.O. Box 300-732. So P.O. Box 300-732, Jamaica, New York, 11430. That is it. Yeah, man, one of them e-scooter something there, you know? Yeah, them e-scooter something there, one. Let me see if Shelley Cunningham get it right. Yes, that is it. Thank you guys for putting it up so people can see. P.O. Box 300-732, Jamaica, That's the city, New York, 11430. And for those of you who don't know, yes, we have a city in New York City called Jamaica. And it's considered a city, yeah. Yes, I'm one of them e-bike there. I think it would be great for like content, you know. You know, yeah, on a car and a bike or whatever, you know. That's one of them look at e-bike there. I set it up and yeah, and just touch the road, you know. That would be great. There are some nice ones out there, you know. You just stand up on your thing and whatever. I can imagine me I go through the Jamaican communities up here with that Jamaican events and what that. I keep up my antics. You see me do my little walk today and whatever. I love them look at something there, you know. And it's when I see the bird is depressed and look like it want to commit suicide, you know. Cause him woman leave him one bird. Like, you know, it's one bird like him woman leave him and thing and him just did want to call it a day and chuck off in a pan, you know. I'm just talk to the bird and I encourage him the bird say, don't do it. It's not worth it, you know. No woman not worth it, I commit suicide. Well, no female bird, you know what I mean? Right, I commit suicide and things like that, you know. But them look at something there, you know, them look at spontaneous type of thing there. I enjoy stuff like that. You know, this unpredictable type of thing where it's like an opportunity for content, an opportunity for humor, it's an opportunity for entertainment, you know. Best Buy have them. Best Buy sell them. Best Buy sell them some of them. For real? I wouldn't think that Best Buy would sell them thing there. But never get one, man. Watch and see. Somebody just subscribe. Big up yourself. Let me see. Nah, man, you have to know what you do, man. Oh, Best Buy sell them. I'm going to get one and touch the road, even though winter come. May I get one and touch the road. Shell out some content, you know. Oh, Amazon sells them as well. All right, man, I get one, man. I ruined it. Watch and see. That just sounds like it would be a whole lot of fun. Go all about with it. Yeah, and buy a helmet. Oh, Costco sell them too? Yeah, I'm a member of Costco, you know, so I can go check out them. All right. Any mix-up? If no mix-up, I'm out. Yeah, I can go check on my bikes. Which bike me I go buy. Yeah. Make sure you check the features. They're fast. Yeah, I'm going to need one we can clip. You think so Braga go up on an idiot one? You know. All right. Surprise mix-up, shock mix-up, or any other mix-up one I'm sent on. Let me see what. J Berg, big up yourself, you know. And people do remember my party next week, Saturday. Do remember my party next week, Saturday. All right. You need anti-brake for your whole body. Don't drop off. Well, it wouldn't be a good idea for me to drop off, though. See? No, man, but if me depend that, you know, I know where to go, you know. Deja Royal. So we have some people that subscribe, you know. Big up yourself, man, Deja. All right? Of blessings and respect for your subscription, you know, welcome to the family, though. Yeah. And Raga would drop far, cause him tall. I'm not that tall. By American standard, 6'2" is not that tall. Right? But in basketball, playing I'm 6'6" and 6'7" and 6'8". All right, Everett, check your message on WhatsApp. All right, blessings, man. Okay. Be a stub. Right height. Be a stub. Right height for what? right height for what? Taco. Your height for a man. Okay. Yeah, all right. That's a good thing, right? All right. Give thanks. All right. All who not follow me and follow me now. Make sure say you follow me, all right? All who not follow me and follow me now. And you know what I'm going to do to people? Just for the fun of it. I'm going to do restaurant reviews. I think I'll enjoy that. Yeah, I think I'd really enjoy that. Restaurant reviews. Just go in a restaurant, order food, and think. I know most people, most of the creators, them film them and then them put it together, whatever. I'm just kind of wondering what it would be like to do it live, you know? Like if I say, come with me, I go in a restaurant and thing, and yeah. Wouldn't that be cool? Yeah? Yeah. What would be the best way to do it? Live or just film it and then pray? What you want to think? Live or I don't want to use any technical term. Soai does that restaurant reviews live. What is Soai? So or both live, film it. Why not live? Live would be interesting. Yeah, I'm just thinking that live would be, you know. I say, all right, I try this and I couldn't tell mama for try and so like so whatever. And even though I don't want to not looking at my mouth when I throw. Yeah, that might not be too attractive, you know what I'm saying? Well, yeah, Colin Click, you're right about that. Apple user, I did see you at the movie on Saturday when you do the interview with Handro Hilmido Butterfly. You see me at the movie Saturday, Ghana? You see me at movie Saturday, Ghana? Me never did a movie. Boy, stuck on an island, that's what so I mean. He's from Jamaica, stuck on. Oh, okay. Oh, Apple user, I didn't. Every day she come type the same thing. Who typed that? Oh. Oh, that person? Saturday I was right here. It was my birthday playing music. We don't know. Apple user said, see me, I do interview with somebody. No. I never go so I was right here with the TamFam. Yeah, from last week, them I type it. When I play music on Saturday, yeah, Saturday was my birthday. I was here with you all. I never did no movie. Yeah, I don't know how to buy all I want. Yeah, don't it? Yeah, you know, anybody that try to wait name them right there, so I have to hold on them and say, no, but the day I would don't know. You tell the police them, say, no. So the person said, I did not see you there. But why you post that? Yeah. When I tell the police, say, no, to talk to the TamFam and them, I ask them when they dip on my birthday. Saturday gone, my birthday. Talk to the TamFam and them. I got crazy alibi. Right? Crazy people can vouch for me when I did that. All right? See? Can't tell her no. All right, people, man, I go early today, you know, sometime we go early, right? Nothing wrong with that, all right? So big up on yourself and thing, and tomorrow we juggle again, all right? Today is a shorter show. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. All right? Don't want to flip and start acting up now and things like that. It's all good. I'm going to eat some food here now. No, Dr. Mac, you're good, man. Don't worry yourself. You're good. All right? All right, but I'll let go, all right? And I'm married, you know? No, I don't have no date. You know, body now come in and things, so, you know. I tell you, man, you don't have a force the thing, man. So, you know, I'm married, here. If anything with the juggle this afternoon, we'll do look something this afternoon, so it's all good. All right, blessings, man. Take care of yourself, man. Cool.